Hello all dear students, I am Abhinav Negi and Dheeraj sir. Welcome you all on the BYJU'S exam prep guys. Already guys, we have done the mock test 1 for civil engineers and guys now this will be mock test 2 guys. Exactly as per gate pattern. 30 questions of 1 marks, 35 questions of 2 marks, total 65 questions, total guys 100 marks. And guys distribution is as like the gate exam only. Okay, like aptitude is of 15 marks. Okay, as it gate, mathematics will be 13 marks, and other subjects also, guys. The weightage is as of the last 5 years, whatever the average is, that is the weightage. Okay, so these subjects I will be taking. Okay, then guys, Richa ma'am will be coming, and then Dheeraj sir will be coming. Total 65 questions, guys. MCQ, MSQ, NAT, everything will be here, guys. Now, what we have decided the cutoff for this. Okay, if you want to relate it with the gate exam, then the cutoff will be, okay, yes sir, please. The cutoff will be depending upon the difficulty level of this paper for general, for OBC and EWS. Okay, so please guys, take a copy pen with you so you can evaluate yourself. Okay, so general, the cutoff will be 28 marks for this paper. If you are getting 28 marks or more, then in actual exam also, if you do in the same level, you will be qualifying. Okay, this will be 23 marks. Okay, and this is guys 18 marks. For guys IIT, the cutoff for here will be around 60 marks. For this paper guys, I am talking of this difficulty level, whatever 65 questions we are taking here. Okay, whatever the 65 questions we are taking here, according to that. This is for IIT MTech. Yes, Dheeraj sir.
Okay sir, I feel कि आप start करिए फिर after you reach ma'am and then I will be coming.
सर मैथ्स के आपने मुश्किल क्वेश्चन तो नहीं रखे हमारे सिविल के बच्चों के लिए?
नहीं sir, I am keeping just like the level of exam only.
Okay guys, and guys, just after the examination for shift 1, shift 2, that is forenoon shift and afternoon shift, we will be coming with a detailed analysis. Okay, just after the exam. Score for PSU I'm not saying because the seats will be fluctuating guys. Whatever the seats we have come till now, it will be increasing. Okay, so guys, see, Dheeraj sir is all along from 300 kilometers away, have come here for your analysis, for helping in the analysis and his subjects, and guys taking the part in this mock test also. Okay, so all the effort for you guys. Okay,
तो स्टार्ट करिए
सर, कुछ मोटिवेशन तो दीजिए पहले बच्चों
को. स्टार्ट करिए, फिर बीच में आऊंगा ना, अभी डिमोटिवेशन आउं तो दीजिए.
Okay guys. So guys, please put a heart sign on the comment box guys. Ready or not? Everyone. Jaldi se. Everyone ready? Okay, steel will not be in this paper guys because we are not, or none of us are taking that. Okay, so 95% is same like gate. This is about me guys. Those who don't know me, my name is Abhinav Negi. 12 plus years of teaching experience, done my MTech from IIT Delhi. These are my details. Okay, the complete analysis will be there guys for shift 1 and shift 2 both. For shift 1, that is forenoon, and shift 2 both, complete analysis on the 4th of February. Guys, this is the special workshop Blueprint to Excel Gate 2025 in the first attempt. It will be taken by Richa ma'am on 7th of February guys. 7th of February at 7:30 PM. Please do register for this workshop. Okay, and guys, we have the complete courses, the Vision 2025 and 26 courses in English and Hindi. Okay, we are having those. And guys, this will be in English and Hindi. Okay, from where we are teaching from the basic level. And if you want to know anything about these courses guys, then guys, there is a form in the description box. You can have a one-to-one interaction with our counselor regarding anything about these courses, or you can connect here in this number as well. Okay, this is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir guys. More than 6,200 students have already joined there guys. You can also join. Okay, so first I'll be taking sum and structure. Okay, so totally guys, it will be 65 questions. The sum of this will be 30. Sum of this will be 35. Total it will be 100. And guys, first I'm taking structures. Once again, those students who have just joined, let me tell you, the cutoff of this paper, whatever the 65 questions we are taking, guys, for general it is 28 marks, OBC EWS it is 23 marks, for SC ST it is 18 marks, for PH it is around 15 marks. This is the cutoff for IT, 60 marks for general, 55 marks for OBC, and EWS and SC/ST 30 marks, depending upon the difficulty level of these 65 questions. Depending upon the difficulty level of these 65 questions, this is the cutoff. The actual cutoff of the GATE exam may vary a little bit. 2-3 marks it may vary. Okay. So ready guys, everybody, yaar. Please put a heart section on the comment section. Hi Mayank, Vishnu, how are you? Ashtosh, Maheshwar, Anwar, Eunice, Paul, Deepak. Please put a heart sign on the comment box, guys. Okay. Okay. Come on. Then we are moving. And guys, for MSQ question, there is no negative marking. For MSQ question, guys, there is no negative marking. Okay, MSQ and NAT, there is no negative marking. And guys, please, I have taken a session yesterday, na. Okay, the GATE interface. Please, guys, watch that session before giving the exam. 20-minute session it is. GATE interface. I have taken a session. On GATE interface. Okay, so some very crucial points I have told there that will be saving your time and increasing your accuracy. So please do watch that session after this mock test, guys, before giving the GATE exam. Okay. Chalo, this is 1 mark question. First of all, guys, we are doing this part, huh? Soman structure. Soman structure we are going with. Do this. What is degree of kinematic indeterminacy? NAT type problem. This is a NAT type problem. NAT, that means when you are evaluating yourself, guys, in GATE examination, it will be written that the question will be MCQ, MSQ or NAT. It will be written there, guys. Okay. So what is degree of kinematic indeterminacy? Chalo. Good morning, Sagata, everyone. It is 3J minus M minus R. It is 3J minus M minus R. What is the number of joints? 1, 2, 3. Number of members, guys. Number of reactions, everyone. 1 and 2, 1 vertical, 1 horizontal. Reaction 3 and 1. Total 4 reactions. Correct? So what is the value we are getting? 3 is a 9 minus 6. It will be 3. So NAT type problem you have to fill there. And what are those 3? If you want to visualize it, why you are writing 2, guys? If you want to visualize it, guys, then when the load will be there, let it be B point, let it be C. Now, from where to change the color? What are those 3? One is this movement theta B. One is this. Okay, when this C will be going here. Small deformation, not the rigid body displacement. And this is theta C. These 3 are the things that will be changing. These 3 things are the things that will be changing. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Everyone. Come on. Jaldi bolo. Okay, question number 1, guys. Please evaluate yourself. Question number 2, again of 1 marks. A square steel bar of cross section 50 into 50 is 2 meter long, is subjected to a biaxial stress as shown in the figure. What is the elongation of the bar in the Y direction? What is the elongation of the bar in the Y direction, guys? This is a bar. Okay, the cross section is like this. 50 into 50. The length is 2 meters, that is 2000 mm. That is the Y direction. What is the delta Y? What is the delta Y, guys? Evaluate yourself. This is MCQ. Therefore, if you are doing wrong, it will be minus 1 by 3. Yes. Chalo. Yes, Astos. Come on. Tell me, guys. What is the elongation of the bar in Y direction? What is strain Y? Strain in Y is sigma Y by E, that is 300 by E, minus mu sigma X by E, that is 240 by E. Now E value is here and mu value is here. And what is strain in Y? So E and mu are known. So it is delta Y by Y. Y is how much? 50. Y is 50. From here you can get the value of delta Y. Are you getting this answer A? If yes, please do +1 marks. evaluate yourself as plus 4 marks, otherwise minus 1 by 3, because this is MCQ, this is MCQ, so of course negative marking will also be there. This is MCQ, so of course the negative marking will also be there, guys. Come on, come on. Yes, Mayank from Madhya Pradesh. Yes, 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 yes. Question number 3. Okay, please bring the, if you want to take the real feel of this paper now, please bring calculator, copy and rough pen with you. Let there be a rod which is placed between two metal plates. The metal plates are fixed, guys. Okay, this is fixed, so they are fixed supports. They are fixed supports. Okay, here and here there are two metal plates which are fixed. Okay, the rod is fixed to one plate. This is the rod I am making of yellow color. The rod is fixed to one plate and distance between rod and another plate is 0.1 mm. So like this, it is fixed at one plate and here this gap is 0.1 mm. Okay, the temperature of the rod is increased by 120 degrees Celsius. Now this assembly, the delta T is increased by 120 degrees Celsius and the length of the rod is 3 mm. Okay, the length of the rod is 300 mm. 300 mm. Young's modulus is given and E is given and alpha is also given. Okay, sir. Calculate the axial stress produced in the rod. Okay. First, guys, let me check what will be the free expansion. If these supports are not there, what is the free expansion? Free expansion is equal to L alpha delta T. What is L? L is 300 mm. Kahan gaya? Alpha is 10 ki power minus 5 and delta T is 100 degree. Okay. So 300 is 3 into 10 ki power 4. Okay. So it is 0.3. So if it is free, if there is no restriction, then it will be elongating by, of course, both sides. I am just showing one side. It will be elongating by 0.3 mm. It will be elongating by 0.3 mm. But guys, here it can elongate only 0.1 mm. So there will be stress. Guys, if this value is, tell me the answer on the comment box. If this value is 0.05 mm, then what will be the answer? If this value is 0.05 mm, then what will be the answer, guys? If this value is 0.05 mm, then what will be the answer? What is the stress? 0. Okay, it wants to expand 0.05 and there is a gap of 0.1. So it can easily expand 0.05. So there will be no stress in that case. There will be no stress in that case. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. So guys, here stress will be coming. Now this P will be pushing it back, internal force, by how much mm? 0.3 and this 0.1. So this is 0.2. So P will be pushing it back, PL by A is equal to 0.2. So from here P by A is the stress. L value is given, E is value given, you can find the value of stress. Or this is one method. Second method, guys, that stress by strain prevented. In case of thermal stress, it is Young's modulus. So what is strain prevented? Strain prevented is 0.2 upon length, that is 300. So from here also you can find stress. Okay. Free expansion is coming how much? T is 200. Achha, T is 120. So 120 into 0.3, it is 0.36. It is 0.36. Okay, so this is 0.26. This is 0.26. 0.26. Okay. So how much answer you are getting? How much answer you are getting, guys? Come on. B option. Everyone got it? Evaluate yourself, guys. I will be asking your marks also. I will be asking your marks also, guys. Come on. Everybody. Question number 4, guys. A cantilever beam of square section is subjected to a point load of 20 kilonewton at the free end. Here, the load is 20 kilonewton. If the side of the cross section is 80 mm, it is placed like this. It is tilted and it is placed like this. Then the maximum shear stress is. These are 2-mark question. NAT type problem. NAT type problem. Therefore, no negative marking. NAT type problem. Therefore, no negative marking. Guys, what is tau average? Tau average is shear force by area. So Newton per mm square is megapascal only. So let me convert in Newton per mm square. Newton mm square is this. Newton per mm square is also megapascal. Correct? And for this, guys, for this kind of diamond section, what is tau max? If total, this is h, so tau max is what? It is 9 by 8 of tau average, na? Or also 1.125, 9 by 8 is 1.125. Acting at, I guess, 3h by 8 from here. Yes? So what is 9 by 8 of tau average? So this is coming to be 3.125. Tau maximum in diamond section is 9 by 8, or you can say 1.125 of tau average. So it will be 3.515 megapascal. This is the answer, guys. This is the answer. Question number 4. Yes, Deepak. Saurabh, all champions are here, guys. Come on, everyone. Question number 5, guys. This is also shaded. Beautiful question, guys. This is the question for the rankers. This is the question for the rankers, guys. This is the question for the rankers. This is the question for the rankers, guys. Everyone. Chalo. This is the question for the rankers, guys. Let me see who can do this, guys. What is this? What is a box cross section having dimension as shown in the figure? In a certain region along the line, there is a constant linear change in the bending moment of 60 kilonewton per meter. Okay, what is shear force, guys? Shear force is dm by dx. So what is the change in bending moment? 60 kilonewton in 1 meter. So it is 60 kilonewton shear forces. Determine the maximum shear stress. Determine the maximum shear stress, guys. Excellent question. Excellent. Excellent, guys. Everyone. Chalo. Let me see who can do this, guys. This is the real question for the ranker student, guys. This is the real question for the rankers. Guys, tau max will be at neutral axis for symmetric sections. Okay. Tau max will be at neutral axis. Correct? Now, we have to calculate. This is not rectangular section, guys. We cannot do 3 by 2. This is not rectangular section. This is inside, it is hollow. Inside it is hollow. And for symmetric sections, guys, either circular or rectangular, tau max is at neutral axis. Now, the tau maximum is equal to tau at neutral axis is equal to S into AY bar by I into B. Correct? Beautiful question, guys. Excellent question. Now, what will be I? What will be I? Now, first of all, I consider this whole is the area. Material is same, guys. BD cube by 12. So, 150 in 25 and 25 is 200. 250, 25 and 25 is 300 cube by 12 minus. Actually, this is not the area. This is not the area. So, what is B of this? 150 and 250. So, 150 into 250 cube by 12. Correct? Correct? So, I about neutral axis from here, how much you are getting, guys? 25.46. 25.46 into 10 की power 5 or 10 की power minus 5 in meter, not millimeter. Meter 4. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Yes, 25.46. Good. Good, Vishnu. Good, Vishnu. Vishnu और comment भी करता रहता है यार. Good, Vishnu. Vishnu, you like the yesterday's session? Okay. Now, I is known. This I is known. What is the width? What is B? I is known na. What is the width? Width is the section where we are finding the neutral axis, where we are finding the stress. So what is the width, guys? 25 and 25. So it is 50. Width is the section where we are finding the stress. So this is 25, 25, this is 50. What is S? S is this 60. S is 60, guys. 60 kilonewton. Okay. So S is known, I is known, B is known. Now I'm going to AY bar. So A is the area of the section and Y bar is the center of mass of that. So let me consider above this, guys, either this is the red area, or this blue area. Okay, either this red area or this blue area. Now for red area, guys, AY bar, what is area of that? Red area is 150, 25, 25. It is 200 into 25 is the area. And what is the Y bar from here? 250, oh sorry, 125 plus 12.5. 120, this is 125 and 12.5. 125 and 12.5. This is 137.5. Okay, this is for red. Now blue is also there. So what is this blue area? This is 25 and what is this length? 25 into 125. 25 into 125 and there are two such, na? This and this. Correct? Correct. Chalo. And what is the center of mass of this? 125 by 2. Center of mass is 125 by 2. So this is AY bar. Now if you put it, guys, you will be getting answer as, please check B. Have you understood, guys? This is the real question for the real students, guys. This is the real question for the real students. Have you understood? Have you understood, guys? Come on. Okay, शिवा मेरे को रिपीट करके देख लेना. ज्यादा बच्चों को डाउट है तो बताओ, मैं बताता हूं. Any more doubt, guys? I'm just okay, Shivam, I'm repeating. Tau max is at the neutral axis. So we have to apply the formula S AY bar by IB at the neutral axis. S is here for 60 kilonewton. I, first of all, I take the whole section. This, then actually here it is hollow. So I minus that. I is known. B is the width at neutral axis. So this and this width is 50. So I is known, B is known, S is known. For AY bar, what I did, above the area, na, so this red area and blue area, I have separated. For red area, I find AY bar. For blue area, I find AY bar. Okay. This is the real question, guys. 2-mark question. Question number 6. Chalo. The rigid portal frame in the figure will not have a side sway if, okay, guys, if it is symmetric section and symmetric loading, symmetric figure and symmetric loading, there is no sway. So guys, will not have sway if I1 is equal to I3. If I1 is equal to I3, then it is symmetric structure and loading is also symmetrical. C option. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm done. How much you are scoring here, guys? Out of the 9 marks, 3 into 2 plus 6 plus 3. Out of the 9 marks, how much you are scoring till now? After this, guys, now we are going to the soil. After this, guys, now we are going to soil, guys. How much is the score? You got it. Chalo. Bata bhai. How much? 5, 4. Okay. 3. Join late. Units तो पहले आए थे. Okay. Chalo. Now let us go to soil. Chalo, hit the questions. Hit the questions, guys, here. The mass specific gravity of a fully saturated clay specimen having a water content of 40% is 1.8. Okay. On oven drying, the mass specific gravity drops to 1.7. In the case of single limit of soil in percentages, So guys, mass specific gravity is decreasing. So solid and water. So that means it is earlier in supersaturated state. Then it is here like this. This is the sinkage state. And this is the dry state. So here the water content is 0.4. Okay, 40% water content. Okay. Now sinkage limit is asked. 2-mark question, guys. Give me the answer. Guys, here if I apply SE is equal to WG, guys, in oven drying the specific gravity is dropped. First question is, sir, how you know that it is supersaturated state? How you know? Let me tell you. Guys, gamma D is equal to gamma T upon 1 plus W. So here the gamma T is 1.8, na? So bulk density is 1.8 times of gamma W, 1 plus W. Tell me this value, guys. Everybody fast on the comment section. I don't have calculator. Tell me this value. Guys, the mass specific gravity of clay is 1.8. That means the density is 1.8 times of water. Gamma T is 1.8 gamma W. Okay, so gamma D is gamma T upon 1 plus W. Tell me the gamma D value from here. Tell me the gamma W value from here. Come on! How I know that it will be decreasing? I am giving the answer of that first. I am giving the answer of that first, guys. Come on! Nobody? 12.61. This 12.61 you are saying. Okay, 12 point something. 12.6 or 12.8. That means it is 12.6. Okay. So 12.6 means, and here the density is 1.7 times of gamma W. That means around 17. So density is increasing, na? Guys, here for this state, na, gamma D, this formula is for same volume. When we derive, na, it is for same volume. You can check the derivation. So this is for the same volume. For the same volume, guys, for the same value, here the density is 12.6 or it is specific gravity is 1.26. What this? But now our specific gravity is increasing. On drying, our specific gravity is increasing. That means volume is 100% decreasing. Have you understood what I want to say, guys? The dry density corresponding to this state using this formula is for same volume, is 12. 12 means density, it is 1.2, around 1.2 specific gravity. But our specific gravity is 1.7. That means our specific gravity is increasing. That means volume is decreasing. Have you understood what I want to say? Have you understood what I want to say? Okay, therefore I know it is decreasing. Now if I apply here SE is equal to WG. So what is S here? 1. E I don't know. W is 0.4 into G. So E is equal to 0.4 G. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now E is equal to 0.4 G and formula is gamma is equal to G plus SE 1 plus E into gamma W. What is gamma here? 1.8 times of gamma W. That I am writing for this case. Okay. G plus SE, S is 1. 1 plus E into gamma W. So guys, one equation is this between G and E and one equation is this. So from 1 and 2, one equation is this, one equation is this. From 1 and 2, you can find out the value of E and G. Okay. So that G value you will be getting as 2.65. Please confirm. Please confirm. Please confirm. Please confirm. Everybody, the G value is coming same. Okay. Now gamma D for this case I am writing. It is G upon 1 plus E. Gamma D is equal to G into 1 plus E into gamma W. Now guys, gamma D is 1.7 times of gamma W. So from gamma W is cancelled. And G value is 2.65. Of course, void ratio here will be changed. We cannot use this void ratio. Void ratio here will be changed. Tell me the value of E from here, everyone. Tell me the value of E from here, guys. E of here will be different, guys. Here voids are different, here voids are different. Of course, solid is same, but voids are different. So don't calculate the value whenever you calculate E from 1 and 2 equation. Tell me the value of E from here, guys. Come on. Come on. Point 0.55. Where is my paper? Okay. 0.559. And guys, for this case, E and E here are same. Here E and E are same. Okay, here air, instead of air it is water. So SE is equal to WG. Saturation is 1. E is 0.559. W into G. G is also same 2.65. Okay, so from here, guys, the S value you are getting as how much? Sorry, W value 0.2108. W value is you are getting 0.2108, 21%. Beautiful question, guys. Beautiful question. Have you understood? Have you understood? Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Any doubt you can ask me. Any doubt you can ask me, guys. No doubt? Okay. Now this question, guys. What is the shrinkage ratio? 1 mark question. Shrinkage ratio, volume at liquid limit, volume at shrinkage limit upon volume at shrinkage, like this. What is the value coming? Guys, please check. If you put all these values that is given, you will be getting 1.9. You will be getting 1.9. No, Akhil. If anybody has applied for 2 and he writes only 1 paper, it's okay. It's absolutely fine. It's absolutely fine, guys. No issues in that. No issues in that. Okay. 9. Do the question. Question number 9. Hit it. Hit it, guys. Okay. Guys, how much is the gravel percentage? Percentage passing from 4.75 MMC is 60%. So above that is gravel, na? Above 4.75 is gravel. So 60% is going that. That means 40% is gravel. Passing through 75 micron means fine grain soil is 45%. So 95 and this will be 5%. Okay. Now it is when fines are greater than 12%. So it is the case when fines, that is fine grain soil, is greater than 12%. So here the names are GC, GM, SC, SM. Clayey gravel, silty gravel, clay sand, silty sand. So of course sand is less, so these will not be answered. So either it will be GC or it will be GM. 2 options are deleted. 2 options are deleted. Okay. 2 options are deleted. Okay. Yes, Saurabh. 2 options are deleted. Now it is silt, clay or silt. So guys, we have a A-line equation. 0.73. Liquid limit is 40 minus 20. So IP value is 14.6. Our IP is WL minus WP. 40 minus 10. 40 minus 10 is 30. So that means in A line, the point is here 14.6. But our IP is more. So our IP is more, it is what? Our IP is more or less? Okay, sorry, that is not plastic limit. Our IP is 10. Our IP is 10. Not this. That is not plasticity, plastic limit. That is plastic index. That is 10. So our IP is less. So it is less means GM. So guys, less IP because clay silt is having less plasticity. So it is M. Why above point is clay? Why above point is clay? I told you many times. Above point is clay because clay has more plasticity. IP value of this is more. Okay. So now next, guys. hit it. What is GI value? What is GI value? Group index, if you don't know, it is empirical 0.2A plus 0.005 AC plus 0.01 BD. And what we do from group index? If the group index value comes 0 to 1, then the soil is classified. Then the soil is classified as good. Okay, I don't remember the data. So that is 2 to 4, it is fair. Okay, poor. If it is 5 to 9, I guess you are knowing this first time. 5 to 9. And 10 to 20, it is very poor. 10 to 20, it is very poor, guys. Okay. Now, we have to check it here, what our value is coming. Okay. So, A value is, from here, A value is 62 minus 35. Okay. Percentage passing from 75 micron sieve minus 35. B value is percentage passing from this 75 micron sieve minus 15 value. Okay, 15 value. C value is, guys, 35 minus 40. 35 liquid limit WL minus 40. Okay, but this value should not be more than 40%. Should not be more than 40%. Okay. Sorry, this 60 BC is 35 minus 40 and it should not be less than 0. It should not be less than 0. So it is less than 0, so we'll take it 0. Okay, please see the complete empirical formula. D is, guys, plasticity index minus 10. So plasticity index minus 10. Okay. So this is 4. Now putting A, B, C as 0 and D value. A and B, guys, B should not be greater than 40%. So from here it is coming how much? 47. Na? So B also we will not take 47, we will take 40. So A this, B this, C this, D this. Group index value you are getting as 7. Group index value you are getting as 7. So 7 is in classification poor. A. Not good for the sub base or base course. Not good for sub base or base course. Have you understood? Have you understood, guys? Everyone on the comment section. Okay. Now let us go to question number 11. A 10-meter thick clay layer is underlain by a sand layer of 20 meter. Okay. This is 10 meter and 20 meter. Clay 10, sand 20. The water table is 5 meter below the surface of the clay. So water table is here. Okay, the soil above the water table is capillary saturated. So here it is capillary saturated. Okay. The unit weight of this gram. If now the water table rises to surface. Now in first case water table is here. In second case water table is here. Then the effective stress at a point P on the interface will be at this point. At this point. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Come on. Tell me. Guys, it will not be changed here. Sigma bar is sigma minus u. Earlier also, guys, as it is capillary saturated, so sigma here will be gamma sat into 10 in both cases. In both cases, it is gamma sat into 10. If the water table is here or the water table is here. If the water table is here, of course it is saturated. And when the water table is here, then also this region is saturated because it is capillary. So sigma is same. And guys, u also. No. Sigma is same. Sigma is same. But u in the first case, in first and second case, sigma is same. But in first case, u is gamma w into 5. In second case, u is gamma W into 10. So in second case, we are doing larger minus. So it is decreased by gamma W by 5, na? Yes. It will not be this. Sorry. It is C option. Everyone written C. All are intelligent than me. All are intelligent than me. Got it? Got it, guys? Everyone? Got it? In both cases, sigma is same. Gamma set into 10. But U is different. Okay? Okay. Do this 12th question. In a drain triaxial test, a saturated sample of cohesion-less sand, C is equal to 0, fails under this. So sigma 3 is equal to 1.5 and sigma 1 is equal to sigma 3 plus sigma D. The inclination of the failure plane from the horizontal. So inclination of failure plane from the horizontal is the major plane, 45 plus 5 by 2. So sigma 1 is equal to sigma 3, 1 plus sine phi, 1 minus sine phi plus 0. Sigma 1 and sigma 3 is known. So from here the phi value you are getting as 39 point something. 39.5, please check. Please check. And 45 plus 5 by 2 will be 64. Got it? Everyone? Everyone? Yes or no? Okay. 13th question. At any point, this is 270. Okay. This is 175. And shear is 83.5. Okay. Now from here, what is the major stress? Sigma x plus sigma y by 2 plus sigma x minus sigma y by 2 whole square plus tau xy square, and minus stress is sigma 3, sigma x plus sigma y by 2 minus sigma x minus sigma y by 2 whole square plus tau xy square. Now this is sigma x, this is sigma y, this is tau xy. Tell me the value of sigma 1 and sigma 2. Tell me the value of sigma 1 and sigma 2. And as it is sand, so the failure envelope will start from here. What is this value? This value is sigma 1. This value is sigma 3. Center will be sigma 1 plus sigma 3 by 2. Okay. No increase. Why no increase? Why no increase? Tell me. Tell me. Earlier here the water is gamma W into 5. And now it is gamma W into 10. Why, Shubham? So now the water table is rises, na? So it will decrease. What is sigma 1 and sigma 3? Guys, sigma 1 is how much? Sigma 1 is 268. U is in minus then? U is more, 9 second case. U is more, so it will decrease. If more minus value is decreasing, it will decrease. Bigger value is subtracting. 318. Yes, and this is 126.43. This is 318 point something. 318.56, and this is 126.43. Okay, this is 318.56, and this is 126.43. This is 5. Now sine phi is this perpendicular, that is radius, upon hypotenuse, that is this. Tell me the value of phi from here. Tell me the value of phi from here, guys. Everyone, guys. Chalo. Everyone, please. Come on. Tell me the value of phi. Tell me the value of phi. Chalo. Guys, please check. Are you getting 25.59? Please check. Are you getting 25.59? 0.431. Sine phi value. Phi value we are asking na. Phi value. Okay, calculate from here. Guys, how much you are getting? Till now, of 9 of SOM and structure and 10 of this. Okay, out of 19 marks, how much you are scoring till now? How much you are scoring till now, guys? Tell me. How many questions we done? 13. How much? For diya? 12. Others? Others? 8, 11, 12. Okay. Chalo. Let us do now surveying. Okay. Excellent question, guys. What is the parallactic angle for analytic lens? Excellent question. NET type problem. Excellent question, guys. Nothing data is given. Can you find what is parallactic angle? Let me tell you. Guys, in the tachymeter, here the diaphragm, there are 3 wires now, 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 wires now. So guys, the angle between when we are seeing this first wire, second wire, last wire, that is parallactic angle. Okay, there are 3 wires. So the first one and the third one, angle between them is the parallactic angle. Let me show you here, guys. This is the staff. This is the tachymeter. One is the line corresponding to the center one, and other 2 are this. There are 3 wires now. So this total is theta. This theta is parallactic angle. Tell me the value of this. Tell me the value of this, guys. Anyone in degree, minute, and seconds. In degree, minute, and seconds. In degree, minutes, and seconds. Everyone. Guys, tan theta by 2 is perpendicular. If total is S, so this will be S by 2. By base is D. D is equal to KS plus C. And for analytic lens, K is 100 and C is 0. 100S plus 0. So tan theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 200. From here it is 0 degree, 34 minute, 22.63 seconds. In NET type problem, they will be converting into degrees and asking you answers there. Understood? Okay, 15. Guys, A, B, C, D is some traverse. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Now, bearing of A is 45 deforms from magnetic meridian. Here is, this angle is 45 degree 30 minutes. This angle is 45 degree 30 minutes. Okay. This is 45 degree 30 minutes. Direct angle is angle measured towards the right. Direct angle is angle measured towards the right. So this is 275 degree 20 minutes. This is C 120 degree 30 minutes. D 294 degree 10 minutes. So compute the bearing of DE. Compute the bearing of DE. Come on. Come on. What is the bearing of BC? Bearing of BC. If I put the compass here. Okay, what is this angle? This angle is this angle. 180 minus this. 180 minus 45 degree 30 minutes, because sum of this and this is 180. And if total this orange angle is 275 degree 20 minutes. From this orange angle, if I subtract this angle, this blue, I'll be getting the bearing there. What is this blue? 180 minus 45 degree 30 minutes. What is the bearing of BC you are getting? What is the bearing of BC you are getting? Please tell me. Are you getting 140 degree 50 minutes? Everyone in the comment box. Are you getting 140 degree 50 minutes? 50 minutes also, yaar. Yes, please check. 140 degree 50 minutes. Okay. Now, if this angle is, now I have to make a bigger figure here. If this angle is 140 degree 15 minutes, okay, then put the compass here. The bearing here will be this much, na? So this will be bearing of CD. Bearing of CD is equal to this total angle is 120 degree 30 minutes minus this angle. So this green and this angle will be 180. So green and this angle will be 180. So this angle will be 180 minus this value. 180 minus this green angle. Have you understood? This 180 minus 140 degree 15 minute. This green angle is 140 degree 15 minute. Correct? So bearing of CD. Understand or not? Yeah, tell me in the comment box. So from here, bearing of CD you are getting as 81 degree 20 minutes. Pure. We have to apply the geometry. 80 degree or 81 degree 20? Yes, Sadhna. No, Dharmender. 81 degree 20. So this is understood. Now from here, if I put the compass here, bearing of D is this. So bearing of DE is equal to 294 degree 10 minute minus this angle. What is this? What is this angle? 180 minus this. 180 minus this angle. 81 degree 20 minute. Because some guys, whatever the concept I am applying here, that if this is angle X, na, this angle is Y, so sum of this is X plus Y is 180. Parallel line concept. So guys, finally the answer is coming to be 195 degree 30 minutes. Yes. Everybody on the comment section. Everybody on the comment section give me yes or no. Everybody on the comment section give me yes or no. Tell me. Tell me. Understood this challenging question, guys? Yes or no? Yes or no? Now do this 1 mark question. When the bearing of a line was measured with the compass, it came to be this much, if the declination is this, what will be the true bearing of the line? Guys, one thing is, I told you convert in whole circle bearing, do plus and minus, get the answer in whole circle bearing, and then convert the final in quadrantal bearing. One is that Ghisa-Pita concept that every time we do. Convert this in whole circle bearing, from the declination do plus minus whatever according to east and west, and get the answer in whole circle bearing, and again convert in quadrantal bearing. Now I am telling you Mentos Jindagi. Nobody will tell you this. Everybody is doing that old method also. We have also done this, but I told both the methods. Now I am telling here the shortcut. Guys, from the magnetic north, this is shortcut, guys. Nobody will tell you this. This is magnetic south, this is magnetic east, and this is magnetic west. Now here, guys, angle is coming of a line 42 degree 15 minute from end to west. So this is 42 degree 15 minute from north to west. Now declination is 4 degree 45 minutes toward the east. That means from true north, so this will be true south, this will be true east, this will be true west. So this angle, the declination is towards the east. The true magnetic north is from here is 4 degree 45 minutes. 4 degree 45 minute east. So what is the true bearing? So true bearing is this angle now. This angle is true bearing. Correct? Correct? So this will be yellow minus white. This will be yellow minus white. So 42 minus 4 is 38. Okay, 42 minus 4 is 38. And 15 minus 45 is? 15 minus 45 is minus 30. 38, 37, 30. So N 37, 30. Yes or no, guys? No, 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 D. It will be C, guys. It will be C. Bhaskar, Dharmendra, Ganguly, have you understood? Give me yes or no. Zaldi, Prem Patel, good. Tell me please. Tell me please. Everyone. Okay. Now 17th question. Now 17th question. A point A has a coordinate of, this is east, this is north, this is west, this is south. A has a coordinate of 500 of north and 600 of east, correct? If the bearing of line AB is 36 degree 20 minutes, if the bearing of line AB is 36 degree 20 minutes, this is 36 degree 20 minutes, okay? And the length of AB is 483.25, and the length of AB is 483.25 meter. What is the independent coordinate of B? Simple, your class 11th concept. What is the north of B? North of A is 500. So go from here this much above. So simple 11th class. This is, or you either you call it latitude or forget latitude. Come to 11th class. 483.25 cos 36 degree 20 minutes. And east of B, either you do survey. So 600 plus departure 483.25 sin 36 degree 20 minutes, or 11th class also. This is 600 east, and then this angle, this sum. So how much you are getting? How much you are getting here? How much you are getting here, guys? Please check. Are you getting B option? Shivam, Shomik, everyone. Are you getting B option, guys? Enjoying. So service soil is done. This is done. This is done. So out of 10 marks, 19 and 25. Out of 25 marks, how much your marks getting? Then we are going for transportation. Then we are going for the transportation, guys. Do let me know about this. Tell me please. 13. Okay, 13, 20, Yash. Great. How are you finding the level of the paper, guys? How are you finding the level of the paper? How you are finding the level of the paper? Is it fine, guys? And guys, on the analysis day, we'll be here, guys. Okay. Okay. Now, a MSQ. A MSQ question, guys. Hit it. Hit it. Chalo. It's tougher than last one. Okay, so guys, whatever the toughness is, on the exam day, you should find lighter. Okay, whatever you are finding here, in exam day, you should be feeling lighter paper. Okay, in exam day, you should be finding the lighter paper. The more you sweat in the practice, guys, the less you bleed in the war. The less you bleed in the war. Okay? Come on. Everyone. Every commando. Please let me know. This is question number 18. This is question number 18, guys. Hit it. Hit the question hard. So loading is calculated corresponding to 1.2.2. So stress is equal to 1260 upon area. Okay. So in Newton, if it is megapascal, so let me multiply in 9.81. So this much kilonewton upon area. What is the area? Pi by 4 into 300. 30 centimeter means 300 square. So this is the stress. Okay. Okay, Mayank. Okay. So what is force by area? 0.175. Please calculate. Okay. Now K value is P by delta. K value is P by delta. That is 1260 upon 1.25 mm. And if it is per meter. So into 10 to the power minus 3 because this is mm. So now this K is how much? K value is how much this value is coming, guys? Sorry, K is 0.175, yeah. So this K is value corresponding to standard diameter of plate, na, that is 140. 140 megapascal and it is per meter like this. But now K75 by K30 is equal to 75 by 30, na? And we have to find out corresponding to 75. This is the standard. This is the standard, guys. K75 by K30 is equal to, 30 by 75. 30 by 75. It is coming how much? Please check. 0.4. 0.4 it is coming. Okay. So, this is K30. So, K75 is 0.4 times of 140. K75. Have you studied the plate load test? So, B and C is the correct answer. Okay. Any doubt? No. Now, this one. What is this? A clear distance of 240 meters is observed between the two vehicles. This is 240 meters. Okay. One is at 90 speed and one it is at 60 speed. Okay. Mu is 0.7 Brake efficiency is 50%, reaction time is 2.5, and what will be the case? So it will stop in SSD1, it will stop in SSD2. Now SSD is equal to VT plus V square 2G into mu into braking efficiency also, na? So we have to multiply 0.5 also. Every value is given, reaction time is 2.5. Every value is given. Now what is SSD1 and SSD2? Please check from here, guys. Are you getting this 153.4? Please confirm. And SSD2 you are getting is 82.14. Please confirm by this value, but multiply by 0.5 here. Okay, then 153 plus 82 is how much? 235.6 something. And the distance between them is less 240. So they will not collide. Stop before collision. Not with the gap of 90 and 70. A gap of only how much? 240 minus 235. Gap of only around 4.5 meters. Okay. Not 90, na? No, not 90, Mayank. Gap is only this. Just they will kiss each other. Not kissing also. Kiss nahi ho payega. Kiss will be when SSD1 plus SSD2 is equal to 240. Exact 240. Then they will not collide but just kiss. So that will be a kiss. SSD1 plus SSD2 is equal to 240. So here it is not kiss. नहीं हो पा रहा किस, थोड़ा गैप रह जा रहा है 4.5 मीटर का. Okay. Do this. Do this, guys. E plus mu is equal to V square by GR. What is E? 1 in 15, na? Tan theta is 1 by 15. Okay. So 1 by 15 plus mu is 0.15 is equal to V square. G is 9.81 and R is how much? 200. Okay, Mike. So what is V? What is V from here? 75. Okay. You all can do this. Now 21. What is centrifugal ratio? What is centrifugal ratio? It is the ratio of centrifugal force by weight, mg. So it is V square by GR. And for no overturning, this V square by GR should be less than by B by 2H. And for no skidding, it should be less than mu. We can derive this. Guys. V square by GR should be less. If you can do this here. Like these are the two tires. This is mv square by R. This F. F is mu mg. So for no skidding, that force should be less than this mu mg. mv for no skidding. First of all, let me do the no skidding case. So that mv square by R is pushing it outward the road. It should be less than friction force. So V square by GR should be less than mu. So centrifugal force should be less than mu. But this is for no skidding case. Here it is different case. No overturning. So the distance between them is B and this is H. So overturning, this is R1, R2. So movement about this wheel, R2 will be 0. And when it is overturning, so this wheel also about no touch from the ground. When it is overturning, no touch here. So R1 is also 0. So overturning movement is mv square by R into H. And this is mg is resisting it. So resisting movement is mg into B by 2. So m to m cancel, you will get this relation. V square by GR should be less than B by 2H. Every value is given. So guys, from here, this V square by GR value is coming less than this. So no overturning. Okay, Balam Saab. The calculation value of V square by GR is less than B by 2H. So it is no overturning. Got it? Okay. MSQ. MSQ, guys. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the same stopping resistance of design speed this, mu is this, reaction time is this. First of all, calculate this here. First of all, calculate this. So this will be coming 80 meter. Two-way traffic, two-lane road. So two-lane road, vehicle is going here. So they will not collide. Stopping side distance is only in the same lane. In overtaking side distance, it goes in different lane, but it has nothing. This is the braking marks. This is the braking marks. Nothing to do with this. So this will be 80. Now, two-way traffic on a single lane road. On a single lane road, guys, only one vehicle comes. Now the distance between them should be 160. 80 it will take, 80 it will take before stop. So there it will be 160. Okay. Okay. Yes or no? Okay. So guys, done. Now RCC only 3 questions. And last time I have done the numericals. Therefore I have taken some IS codal values here this time. Okay. So just I am not teacher of RCC. Therefore I am only telling you the answer. Okay. I am not a teacher of RCC right now, although I am in the preparation mode. So I am only telling you the answer for this. Okay. 24. Guys, flexure crack is due to bending. And when it is due to bending, only bending stress will come. So bending stress will come, so crack will be like this. 90 degree. Okay. So at the simply supported beam, here shear force is 0 and bending is maximum. So at the center, guys, the crack is 90 degree because they are flexure crack. Only due to bending. Due to bending, no shear is coming. So no shear is coming. So the force are only bending stresses and crack will be like this. But at the supports, guys, you have seen the crack is 45 degree. At the supports, they are the shear cracks. Here it is 45 degree. Why? Because at the support bending is not there. M is 0. So at the supports, M is 0. So only shear is coming. So shear is like this. So now it is a case of pure shear. So maximum normal stress is at 45 degree. Na? In motorcycle it is 90 degree. So in real life it is 45 degree. Na? So the 45 degree, the maximum tension will be occurring. If this is the beam, na, maximum tension is occurring at 45 degree. Like this. So if it is someone is pulling it like this at 45 degree, because the maximum stress is at 45 degree, principal stress. So crack will be like this. These are shear crack. This is flexure crack at 90 degree, shear crack of 45 degree. In between, it is 45 to 90 degree. Okay. Okay. Flexure crack is when A by D is less than 2.5. It is flexure crack. Okay. And diagonal tension crack when A by D is less than 1. Okay. Diagonal compression is A by D less than 1, but stirrups provided. And flexure shear is when A by D is 1 to 2.5. A is the length of shear span and D is the effective depth. Okay. So from here, guys, B and D will be the correct answer. I'm only telling the answer, guys. I'm still in the learning phase of RCC. Okay. But to complete this, I have done this. Now 25th, guys. For simply supported, guys, L by D should be less than 2. And for continuous beam, L by D should be less than 2.5. Okay. So from here, the answer will be B and D. Okay. So guys, how much you are getting? This is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir. This I already told you that there are 25 courses, which in English and Hindi are there. And if you want to have an interaction about these courses with our counselor, you can fill the form in the description box or you can call here. Already at the beginning, I told you about this. Okay. Now, how much marks you are getting, guys, here? Tell me. I have taken how much marks? Jaldi se batao. Now, Richa ma'am will be coming, guys, then Dheeraj sir will be coming. 10, 18, 18 and 9, 27, 27 and 6, 33, 38. Out of 38 marks, how much marks you are getting, guys? Okay. And wish you all the best, guys. We will be here in the exam. Just after the exam day, we will be here, guys. We will be here 20, 18. Okay. Excellent, guys. Excellent. We'll calculate at the end. Okay, guys. Now Richa ma'am will be coming. Okay. So wish you all the best, guys. Thank you. Thank you all. Okay. Thank you, guys. Take care. Now ma'am will be coming and you will be doing these sessions. And one more thing. And one more thing, guys. Ma'am's workshop is here. Okay, this is the workshop by ma'am. That will be how to Excel Gate 2025. This will be 7th February at 7:30 p.m. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you. Ma'am will be coming, guys. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I guess I'm audible, visible. Good morning, everybody. Quick, quick, quick. I guess I'm audible, visible. Okay. So without any delay, let's quickly start with the session. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Okay. So let's quickly start with the session. First of all, let's be quick. Don't know about me, can go through my profile. Next, you can download the BYJU'S exam prep app, because in that we are taking classes regularly. And guys, be prepared on 4th of February. In this channel only, we'll be having live examination analysis. And if you are targeting for GATE 2025, what should be the blueprint to excel in the very first attempt? This session will be on 7th of February at 7:30 p.m. Apart from that, we have launched full syllabus course for 25 and 26, both in English and Hindi language. And if you're targeting for 25 and 26 and want free one-to-one counseling and guidance, you can call on this number or you can fill the counseling form which is available in the description box. Apart from that, you can join my Telegram group, and this is the mock test which I have been told to you. So, sir has completed soil transport, home structure, survey and RCC. I'll be doing aptitude, environment, OCF, hydrology and irrigation. So, let's start. Everybody ready? For Mayank, I'm always invisible. I don't know why. Ready, everybody? Come on, guys, comment at least. Quick, quick, quick. Ready, everybody? So, अभी timing check कर लेते एक बारी. Let's check the timing. It's 11:25. So 1 hour means 12:25. So by 12:25 we have to complete. Okay, done. Target accepted. So in till 12:25, that is 1 hour, we have to complete it. Let's take a target. Okay. So this is the first question for you guys from 26th number. This is the first question for 2 marks. Syllogism. Last time I haven't done it, so I thought that Mayank, Yukta, and all are missing, so that's why Sogata is missing. So this time I brought the question related to syllogism. Come on, guys, quick. I'm waiting for half a second and then we'll move. Come on. Some tree are plant. 50% plants are green. Okay. You're late, but it's good, Parvati. Parvati, right? We have started right now only. Wrong, 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 wrong. Nobody has told the correct answer. Come on, guys, back up. Nobody has told the correct answer. Wrong. Quick, quick, quick. Nobody has told the correct answer. Think again, think again. Very good. Sogata told it correctly. Very good, very good, very good. See, here some tree are plants, 50% plants are green. Now it is telling some tree are green. It can be possible, but it is not definite. It can be possible. but not definite. Okay. Similarly, no greenest tree. It can be possible, but not definite. So either some tree can be green or no greenest tree. Any one conclusion can follow because both can happen, but it is not definite that that will happen. So either one or two follows. Okay, so C will be the answer. Both can follow. दो चीज एक साथ कैसे हो सकती है? Like I love you also and I hate you also. एक टाइम पे एक ही चीज होगी ना, या तो love करूंगी या तो hate करूंगी. So similarly here also, some tree are green, no greenest tree. Either one will happen or either two will happen. Getting it? So that is the thing. एक टाइम पे दोनों, जैसे मैंने आपको बेस्ट एग्जांपल दिया यार, I love you, I hate you. So एक टाइम पे either I love you or either I'll hate you. Both, how can I do it? Okay, similarly, either some tree are green or no greenest tree. एक ही चीज होगी. So either one will happen or either other thing will happen. बड़ी हंसी आ रही है. चलो, next question. This is a 1 mark question. You have to say pick the incorrect one. अब तो बेस्ट समझ में आया होगा मयंक को. चलो, okay, start. We crossed a small iron bridge over a meandering stream. एक दिन प्यार दूसरे दिन, तो भी तो इधर ही हुआ ना, दोनों चीज साथ में तो नहीं हुई ना. आप बोल रहे हो कि आई लव यू, आई हेट यू, तो एक दिन तो एक चीज हुई, दूसरे दिन दूसरी चीज हुई ना. साइमल्टेनियसली साथ में तो नहीं हुआ ना मयंक. कम ऑन. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. युक्ता, सौरभ, करेक्ट. सौगाता, करेक्ट. स्मॉल आयरन्स. आयरन्स नहीं होगा, स्मॉल आयरन होगा. आयरन इज अ मेटल. वी क्रॉस्ड अ स्मॉल आयरन ब्रिज ओवर अ मियांडरिंग सिस्टम. आयरन्स का मतलब क्या होता है? जैसे कि हैंडकफ्स या फेटर्स होते हैं ना, उसको डिनोट करने के लिए आप आयरन्स वर्ड यूज करते हो. ठीक है, IRONS. So that is for handcuffs या fetters. For that you use the word irons. Otherwise, if it is a metal, it is iron only. Okay, so इसलिए small irons. दोनों कंक्लूजन में रिलेशन नहीं है. रिलेशन नहीं, दोनों ही कंक्लूजन है, बट दोनों में ट्री ग्रीन ट्री है. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज कि दोनों में से एक टाइम पर कोई एक हो सकता है. दोनों में दोनों चीज एक साथ नहीं हो सकती. दोनों में से कोई एक चीज एक बार में हो सकती है. चलिए, नाउ दिस वन. ये आपके आई गेस ट्रिग्नोमेट्री ऑफ योर स्कूल टाइम क्वेश्चन इज देयर. दिस इज अ फेमस क्वेश्चन. Come on. You don't understand. No, Parvati, I said the same thing in English and then I said it in Hindi. So don't worry, you haven't missed anything. So I'll draw the diagram for you. A boy of height 1.2 meter is walking away from the base of the lamp. So let us suppose this is the lamp post. From the base, he is walking away. At which speed? 0.8 meter per second. Find the height of the lamp post. Let us suppose AB is the lamp post, for which height I need to calculate. If the shadow of the boy is 2.4 meters after walking 6 seconds. तो ये boy है, इसका shadow बनेगा. ठीक है, इसको ले लेती हूँ ABC, इसको D and E. तो आपसे क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा? This is asked you in the question. It has asked you in the question to calculate the height of the lamp post. How can you calculate the height of the lamp post? Firstly, the boy is walking at a speed of 0.8 meter per second and his shadow is falling after walking for 6 seconds. So first I have to calculate how much distance the boy covered in 6 seconds. First I need to calculate that. So distance covered by boy in 6 seconds. How much distance it has covered? 4.8 meter. So here the total distance covered will be how much, guys? 4.8 meter, this distance, and then 2.4 meter, the shadow of which it is falling. So the total value of BC will come out to be how much? 4.8 plus 2.4. How much it is coming, the total distance? 8 plus 4, 12. 7.2. This is the value BC is coming. Okay. Now in the question I need AB. So can you check it out? ABC and EDC are similar triangles. First of all, this angle is 90 degree and they have angle C in common. So in triangle ABD and triangle EDC, what you can say, AB upon BC is equal to ED upon DC. Can you say that? Okay. AB you need to calculate. BC you already got 7.2. What is DE? Obviously the height of the boy, which is given to you in the question, 1.2. And what will be CD? 2.4. Calculate how much it is coming. Very good, Anwar. Very good, Mayank Yukta. It is coming to be 3.6. Clear? So this is again a 2 marks question. If you got this question correct, give yourself a 2 marks. And if you got this question wrong, minus 0.66. Clear? Okay. Next question. Now this you will answer to me. 1 mark question. Very simple. Now you will answer to me. Quick, quick, quick. I'm waiting, then I'll answer. Kindly write the question number if possible, please. Quick. That's very simple. How much time you guys are taking, I don't know why. Very good. Very good. Prathmesh answered it correctly. Very good. Very good, Shivam. Very good. Correct. Sai Bali Mishra, correct. Okay. Two very famous sports person was there, Mark and Steve, and both were brothers. Okay, and they was playing for any country named K. Now Mark is teasing opponent James, who's from any other country, E, that there is no way you are good enough to play for your country. So you are not a good player who can play for your country. So that opponent James replied that maybe I might not be the best player of my country, but I'm the best player in my family. So indirectly he's hitting on a dark spot, that out of you two brothers, your brother plays better than you. That means who is the brother of Mark? Steve. So Steve was known to play better than Mark. That what it is trying to say in the question. Maybe I'm not good enough to play for my country, but at least I'm the best player of my family. So he's trying to say, but you are not the best player of your family because your brother is the best player. So that is the meaning of it. Okay. Now this question, again 1 mark. Select the option that is opposite in meaning. Opposite means antonym in meaning to the underlined word. The controls are concealed behind a panel. So what will be the one? Concealed. Opposite, paryay, this vilom, opposite antonym. Concealed means hota not allowed to be seen or hidden. So opposite will be revealed. Bata do. Okay, revealed. Yes, correct. Concealed, not allowed to be seen. Revealed. Just say it. Okay. Hello. Now this question, 1 mark. Again. This is very easy. There are 4 routes to travel from city A to city B, and there are 6 routes to travel from city B to city C. How many routes are possible to travel from city A to city C? How many? This is very easy. Quick, quick, quick. 6 plus 4 कर रहे हो क्या? Hi Ram, all is well, all is well. Hey Prabhu. Very good, Dinesh. 6. Mama. 6, 4 plus 6 कैसे करोगे? It has all possible roots. 4 into 6 करोगे ना, और थोड़ी ना कि प्लस करोगे. 6 into 4, 24. Either I'll die by heart attack right now, I guess. Options, it is asking you either or नहीं पूछ रहा है that you'll do plus. So 4 into 6, that is 24. Got it? चलिए, this is a good question. 2 marks. Profit and loss. Come on. Rajan purchased 2 ceiling fans, 2500 rupees each. One fan he sold at a profit of 15% and other fan he sold at a loss of 8%. Can you tell what is the gross profit or loss percentage in the whole transaction of selling 2 fans? तुम लोग सच में अटैक दे दोगे मेरे को, सच्ची बता रही हूँ. Don't do this. Come on. You have to tell whether it is a net profit or net loss, and if it is, then how much? Come on. If my mother will be seeing this class, she'll be telling that why the hell you are remembering me right now. Okay. Quick. इतनी जल्दी. Very good, Pratmesh. I'm impressed. Good. Not bad. Keep it up the speed. Okay. One fan is sold at a profit of 15%. So profit percentage is into 100. Profit you don't know. Cost price you know. It will be 2500 into 100. How much is profit coming in the first case? How much is the profit coming? 375 rupees. Another case, it is the loss percentage. The loss upon cost price into 100. 8%. How much is the value of loss coming? Loss. Loss is 200. So profit for one fan 375, loss is 200. So net profit will be how much? 375 minus 200, that is 175 rupees. It is asking you the net profit percentage. 175, you know, profit percentage is profit divided by cost price. Cost price net means selling the 2 fans. So one fan was 2500 rupees, 2 fans 5000. How much? 3.5%. Correct, my 2 marks. This is a new type of, you know, this year also, no, I guess 2022, no, this year only, I guess. There was a one question related to like geometry only, how much you can change the size of figure to, two statements were given. So now this is a new question for you. Come on. Here they have given you the curve of velocity and time, and it is asking you which curve has the highest exponential increase in velocity at the beginning. So as the time increases, the velocity increases exponentially. Now this one, come on. Go. I'll give you the hint. Go through elimination method. पहले initially पूछ रहा है. Initially, remember it is asking you at the beginning. Wrong. Those who have said wrong. Nobody has said it correctly. Wrong. OT नहीं answer. OT is not the answer. तुम लोग को कर्व नहीं दिख रहा? OT is like this. Increase कहाँ कर रहा है? पहले तो decrease कर. At the beginning. हे प्रभु. Very good Saibali Mishra and very good Anwar, Prem Patel and Chauhan sir and Vijay Durga. Very good Saugata, Dharmendra Bhaskar. Good. And Shivam. Fine. Go through elimination technique. First of all, QR में तो कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है. ये कैसे decrease कर रहा है? QR will be going. OP, if you take it out, it is linearly increasing. It is not exponential increase. So OP will also get cancelled. Now check it out. This is OT. Okay. And OS is like this. So exponential means what? Initially increase, it is asking at the beginning. So at the beginning it is increasing for whom? OS. Beginning भी तो पढ़ो. Beginning. Correct? 2 marks question गलत कर दोगे. अभी this question. DI. Good question. दिमाग लगेगा. Something is hiding on what? No, nothing is hiding. Come on. Do this question. Minus 0.66. Yes, everybody, I saw the comments. So don't take a trial that then next second attempt I answered it correct. If the first attempt you haven't, mark yourself minus 0.66. Now this one. This is a good question. So this one, blue one is number of students who left the school and orange one is number of students who joined the school. In the question it is asking for which year the percentage rise fall in the number of students who left the school. Matlab join wale orange one you don't need to do anything. Compared to the previous year is maximum. Come on, this is a good question. Solve it. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. This is an exceptional case hai fir. Okay. Very good. Very good. 1997. Very good. Lashya, Dana. नहीं दाना हाँ दाना has also said it correctly. Vishnu correct. शिवम गलत हो गया बेटा. 1997. So now check it out. Percentage rise or fall in students as compared to 1997. When you compare 1997, 1996 will be your previous year. We have to compare blue one. Here it is 450. Here it will be 250. So percentage rise or fall जो भी हो 450 minus 250 divided by 250 into 100. This is for 1997. Similarly, you will calculate for 1998. 1998 it is 400. So 400 minus 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 400 to 1998 mein. Before that it was 450. So you can do it like this. 450 minus 400 divided by 450 into 100. With respect to initial. With respect to initial karna hai. So this is 80%. This will be something 11.11%. अभी मेरे हेड पे स्ट्राइक करेगा क्या? हाँ, मैं ऊपर कर देती हूँ. Then 1999 it is coming out to be here 350. So क्या करोगे? You will do it as 400 minus 350 upon 400 into 100. How much it is coming? 1999. 1999, how much it is coming? Similarly, you will calculate for 2000. 2000 mein this was 450. Again, 450 के approx है, हाँ. So this will be 450 minus 350 upon 350 into 100. So you will calculate this also 14.28%. 500 है ना? कहाँ पर 500 है? हम तो ब्लू वाला देखेंगे ना, नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु लेफ्ट द स्कूल. तो कहीं पे 500 तो अभी तक नहीं आया, 500 नहीं आया. अनवर यू मिक्स्ड इट. Looking graph. Yes, I'm going to tell you the shortcut first. Let me do the long cut now. Let me do it through the conventional method. Then I'll tell you that. And then 2001. So it will be 0 because 450 minus 450 will make it 0. Okay. So if you go through the conventional process, you will check it out that the percentage rise and fall is maximum in the year 1997. Now, secondly, this is the long cut method. Secondly, what you can do is if you want to go for the shortcut method, you can check out from the graph the slope. You will see that the slope is maximum from 1996 to 1997. Just by visual observation, you can check it out as compared to the other years. So you can check it out that 1997, the percentage rise or fall will be maximum. If you are not able to understand through the graph, you can do it manually also. So I have told you both the methods. Clear? Fine. Now this is a 1 marks question again. Here, analysis is the word which is given to you. It is asking you all the vowels do not come together. All the vowels are not coming together. Can we difference? No, because then we have to compare with respect to initial. Now you can't say that. Exactly, you can't say for every condition. Come on, now this one. Vowel साथ में नहीं आना चाहिए. Vowel should not come together. Very good. Very good. Okay. Logic is you cannot calculate directly, vowels cannot come together. You will do total arrangements minus the arrangements when vowels are coming together. Okay, total arrangements minus vowels, total arrangements minus vowels coming together. This will tell you when vowels are not coming together. So total arrangement is how many alphabets are there? 10 factorial. And n is repeated 2 times, 2 factorial. So the total arrangement is 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial minus when vowels are coming together. So take vowels as this as one single entity, and this is as the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is one single entity. So total factorial will be 6 factorial. Okay. Now since you have what? Since you have what? Here 2n are there, you will divide by 2 factorial. Now here this 5 can move anywhere because they are not fixed. But this was fixed. So consider this as 5 as one. This 5 as a single entity. No. You considered this as single entity. So 5 plus 1, 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial. But this 5 can arrange themselves in any format. So 5 factorial. Okay, or basically you can say clear? Fine. So 5 plus 1, 6, 6, 2 factorial. This is, देखो, A, E, I, O, U are single entity, but A can come before, I can come later, U can come before. So basically I said, I guess by slip of tongue I said the wrong one. So they can arrange themselves in any 5 ways. So 5 factorial for them. Okay, chalo. Now we'll move towards technical questions. मैंने शायद इसका बोल दिया था by mistake. So this 5 will move anywhere. चलो now technical question. C कहाँ से आएगा? अच्छा इसका बता रहे हो C. How many pollutants are considered? This is a 1 marks question, MCQ question. Come on guys. Come on. Quick. Very good. A. 8. Can you tell the name also if it is asked in the question? Carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur oxide, PM 2.5, PM 10, carbon monoxide already said, ozone 336. Can you tell me the 2 names more? I have told you 6 names. Can you tell me 2 names more? Come on, let us suppose it is asked in the question. How will you do it? Come on guys, only number is not important. 2 more. Ammonia, lead. These are the 8 pollutants. Very good Abdul, very good. Okay, 37th question. This is also a 1 mark question. Come on. It is asking you to calculate the volume. Correct up to 1 decimal place. Very simple 1 line question. Now I'm not going to tell you. Very simple 1 line question. मेरे से पूछ के बताते हो. Okay, in GATE you have phone a friend option. Mayank, in GATE examination is it a KBC कि आप मुझे phone करोगे? Come on. A small village located far away in a remote location is set up a septic tank. Population is how much? 200%. And detention time is how much? 18 hours. It is asking you to calculate volume if per person sewage flow is 150 LPCD. So what do you know? Very good, Yukta. Very good. Volume is equal to what? Discharge into detention time. Correct? Volume you need to calculate. Discharge is given to you as how much? One person require 150 liters. So 200 people will require how much? Multiply. Detention time is 18 hours. Okay. So convert day into hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. And liters into meter cube. How much it is coming? 22.5 meter cube. Cubic meter. This will be your answer. Okay, 1 mark. Now this question is an MSQ question, so 2 marks. Come on, solve it. I'll add one more slide till that time. Now solve this. This is an MSQ. अरे मीटर क्यूब में पूछा मयंक. Now this is a silly mistake you are doing it. You know what? See, cubic meter in the question it has asked, and you are telling me in liters. So a bed of uniform sand particles, dia is given to you 0.65 mm. Specific gravity is 2.66. Porosity is 0.48. Depth is given to you 75 centimeter. Is to be washed hydraulically. It is asking you to calculate backwash rate VB, and it is asking you to calculate head loss. First calculate head loss, it is easy. D 1 minus N G minus 1. Correct? So the depth is given to you as 75 centimeter. You can make it in meters, 0.75. Porosity is given 0.48. Specific gravity is 2.66. How much it is coming head loss? How much is the head loss coming? 0.6474 meter. So this is the head loss value which is coming. So C option is correct. Now we have to check for backwash rate. You remember one question has already been asked in the gate examination related to this. You know, by observational analysis, expanded porosity is VB by VS to the power 0.22. This is the formula. Okay. Neither in the question expanded porosity is given to you, neither in the question settling velocity is given to you. So first you need to calculate both of them, then you will get the backwash velocity. Correct? Because this is the only formula by which you can get the backwash velocity. Otherwise you can't. So first let's calculate the settling velocity. Vs is equal to, this is kinematic. Even if you are not able to understand, check the unit. That means it is kinematic viscosity. D square upon 18 nu Gs minus 1 into G. Dia is given 0.655 mm. 2.66 minus 1, 9.81 divided by 18 nu. 1.3 into 10 raised to power minus 2. Centimeter square. This will become 10 raised to power minus 4 meter per second. How much is the settling velocity coming? Come on guys, solve it. Tell me the settling velocity. Similarly, you know this. I taught you this in formula revision also. Before expansion and after expansion, head loss remains same. Reason, the buoyant weight of the particles is not changing. So for that, D1 minus N is equal to D dash 1 minus N dash, or you can say expanded. Now first tell me how much is the settling velocity. A very good concept I have to tell you once is remaining. Just come on, tell me first the settling velocity. It will come out to be 0.294 meter per second. Just check it once. Okay. Now check it out guys. In this question, a very important thing. In this question, they haven't told you what is the expanded depth. Check it out. कहीं नहीं लिखा है. Backwash rate, so that the expansion will be 50%. Means whatever is the D dash will be 15%. Means 1.5. Okay, it will be what? 50%. Clear? So that this is 1.5D. This is not mentioned in the question. This you have to, means directly nahi diya, you have to apply your brain. Okay. Now D 1 minus N is 0.48. 1.5D 1 minus any expanded porosity. How much is the expanded porosity coming? Expanded porosity 15%. 50% बोला 50%. 50%. Means D dash जो होगा will be D plus 0.5D. जितना था उतना तो रहेगा. How much was there? It will there. But expansion will also happen na 0.5D. So this will make how much? 1.5D. How much is the expanded porosity coming? 0.653. So just substitute it here. Just substitute it here. Expanded porosity 0.653. 0.653 VB you need to calculate, settling velocity you got 0.294. From here you will get the backwash velocity. From here you will get the backwash velocity in meters per second. अब देखो यहाँ पे मयंक, सौगाता, युक्ता, अब्दुल, सौरभ, everybody else, Dana Lakshmi, everybody. See, answer is same. Only there is a change in unit. So we say na hadbadi mein gadbadi. So in a rush, don't make mistake. Kindly take a second, take a moment and check it out. Our answer is coming in meters per second. Okay, so A and C are correct. Clear? Okay. Now this question. Solve this question. 1 marks. Here I have just changed a slight concept. Generally, every time it is diluted to 200 ml, 300 ml, ऐसा. But this time it is diluted to 1000 ml. So that is the change I have made. Come on, check it out. Solve just one line. Quick, quick, quick. If 10 ml of raw sewage is diluted to 1000 ml and the DO consumed is 3 mg per liter, it is asking you the BOD of raw sewage. 38 plus 2 था ना मैम, कौन सा बोल रहे हो? अच्छा 38 2 marks. हाँ हाँ, this was 2 marks question. I forgot to write 2 marks. How much? Okay, let's check it out. DO consumed into dilution factor 3 mg. Dilution factor is volume of sewage plus volume of water upon volume of sewage. Now diluted to 1000 ml. That means here Vs plus Vw is given to you. Clear? So 1000 by 10, that is 100. I don't know why you guys made mistake. 300. Simple question tha. That's why initially I wrote volume of water so that you get confused. Diluted to bola hai na, that means it includes both volume of sewage plus volume of water. Guys, this is English. Come on. This is a 2 marks question. Solid waste management. The moisture content of a certain municipal solid waste is given to you. This is the following composition which is given to you. In the question, it is asking you to calculate what, matlab wet percentage and dry percentage is given to you. It is asking you to calculate moisture content. 2 marks. Come on. I'll just tell you the formula. How to calculate percentage moisture content. It is A minus B by A into 100. Ma'am, what is A? What is B? A is wet percentage and B is dry percentage. Come on. Yeah, British English, American English. Very good, Dana Lakshmi. Very good. So if you add 10 plus 35 plus 20 plus 35, how much you will get? 100. If you do 3 plus 10 plus 3 plus 30 plus 10 plus 20, how much you will get? 63. So technically it should be 1 marks, but still I gave for 2 marks. 37%. Or you could have done like this also. 10 minus 3, 7. 35 minus 35. 20 minus 10 is 10. 35 minus 20 is 15. So if you'll add this also, you will get 37 only. Check it out. 20, 30, 37. Yeah. So if you do like this also, then also, or if you do like this also, then also. Both will give you the same answer. If it is correct, allot yourself 2 marks. Okay. Now, this is again a 2 marks MSQ question. Come on, answer. In this question, you have to check total hardness, carbonate hardness, non-carbonate hardness. That's it. Total hardness in water is due to the presence of multivalent cations, those cations who has a valency more than 1. So here calcium, magnesium, aluminium. So total hardness, you know these are in mg per liter. Given weight upon equivalent weight. Equivalent weight of calcium 20. Given weight 72 mg per liter means the concentration. And what is the equivalent weight of magnesium? 12. Concentration 27 for aluminium. What is the equivalent weight of aluminium? 9. 1 gram equivalent of anything is equal to 1 gram equivalent of any other thing. Going by that concept, you will get the total hardness in mg per liter as calcium carbonate. How much you are getting the total hardness, guys? 600 mg per liter as calcium carbonate. So this one is correct. Now talking about carbonate hardness and non-carbonate hardness. For carbonate hardness, it will be minimum of total hardness and alkalinity. So let's calculate alkalinity. Alkalinity will be here due to bicarbonate because carbonate and hydroxyl is not given to you. So 122 divided by equivalent weight, that is 61 into 100. How much it will come? ये कितना आ रहा है? 100 mg per liter as calcium carbonate. You know that carbonate hardness is minimum of total hardness and alkalinity. So carbonate hardness will be 100 mg per liter. Now total hardness is equal to carbonate hardness plus non-carbonate hardness. So non-carbonate hardness will be 600 minus 100. That is 500. So non-carbonate hardness, this one. B will be the correct one. So B and C. 200 कैसे आ रहा है? From where you are getting 200? 61 2 एक मिनट 61 into 2 हाँ ये 2 आ रहा है ना 1 this is 2 this will become 200 right एक सेकंड this is coming 200 right एक मिनट ये 100 by 2 करना पड़ेगा ना मुझे 50 equivalent weight 100 by 2 equivalent weight अच्छा जबरदस्ती alkalinity 200 क्यों आएगा अरे equivalent weight of calcium carbonate is 50 ना 100 by 2 किया मैंने 100 only it will come मुझे उल्टा वही मैं सोच रही हूँ कैसे हो गया 100 by 2 100 ही आएगा सौगाता क्लियर 100 by 2 equivalent weight of calcium carbonate clear चलो now this is a good question अब थोड़ा सा इसमें दिमाग लगेगा and you will make mistake also 2 marks question come on solve it this is a good question 2 marks question I personally liked it correct up to 2 decimal places पार्शियल मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे ना मैम नहीं मिलेंगे या तो आर या तो पार नो पार्शियल मार्किंग नाउ come on last question of your second last question of your environment 5 rapid sand filter whose filtration capacity is given to you as 3000 liters per hour per meter square is used to treat 30 mld of water it is asking you how much percentage filtered water is required to backwash कैसे निकालोगे percentage water for backwash so the backwash water divided by the total water अब देखो how will you calculate how much volume of water is filtered volume of water filtered how much 3000 liters per hour per meter square correct For how much time filtration is taking place? See, area you don't know, so A you don't know, area is in meter square, which you don't know. Okay, you want volume. Now hours, how much time filtration is getting taken place? Okay, see, out of 24 hours, 20 minutes is for maturation and 10 minutes is for backwashing. So out of 24, 30 minutes is gone. So how much time? 23.5 hours is for filtration. So into 23.5 hours. Clear? So this much is the volume of water which is filtered. Now how much is the volume of water which is used for backwashing? Again this much only, but what it is told to you, backwashing rate is 6 times the rate of filtration. Multiply by 6. Why ma'am? Why you did? Because it is written in the question. Backwashing rate is 6 times the rate of filtration. Okay, area and how much time it is taking for backwashing? 10 minutes. If you convert it into hour, 10 by 60 hours. So don't need to solve it separately. Apply your brain. Volume of water required for backwashing divided by total filtered water. That's it. In percentage, multiply by 100. 3000 will get cancelled. A and A will get cancelled. Here you will get 1 upon 23.5 into 100. That's it. Correct. So you don't need to solve it individually and waste your time. Solve it. Solve it fast. इतना ही आ रहा है? So if you have an answer varying from 4.20 to 4.45, if in this range you got the answer, you can allot yourself 2 marks. Correct. Okay. This is a 1 mark MCQ question. 1 mark MCQ question. Solve it. I'll bring water for me by that time. Solve this question. Which question you are saying? Okay. Activated sludge process offers secondary treatment with minimum area. Correct. And effluent of high quality. High quality का मतलब क्या होगा? Is one of the disadvantages. ये disadvantage कैसे हुआ? How can it will be a disadvantage? Wrong. The advantage of activated sludge process is that they are easy to operate and do not require skill supervision. Acha, why will they do not require skill supervision? You have to control food by microorganisms ratio because it inversely governs the efficiency. You need to control the supply of oxygen in the aeration tank. So it requires skill supervision. Do not likha hai. So both are incorrect. It requires skill supervision. कैसे नहीं require होगा? Definitely it requires. Correct. And if nobody has answered it correctly, 0.33. Chalo. This is a 1 mark question for open channel flow. Come on. Flow is subcritical if the width is reducing under no choke condition. What will happen? Width is reducing. If here it is B1, here it is B2. What will happen? Kindly write the question number for which you are answering. Subcritical, that means above. This is Q max. अब तुम लोग की पिटाई हो जाएगी. सीरियसली मैं तुम लोग की पिटाई कर दूंगी, बता रही हूं मैं. सबकी पिटाई करूंगी. विष्णु, लक्ष्मी, अनवर, नो चोक कंडीशन बोल रहा है यार, चोकिंग नहीं हुई अपस्ट्रीम में, क्यों चेंज होगा? नो चोक कंडीशन, हाउ कैन यू चेंज इट ऑन द अपस्ट्रीम साइड? अभी तो चोकिंग भी नहीं पहुंचा है, चोक के बाद अपस्ट्रीम में चेंज होता है, पर विड्थ वाली में तो अपस्ट्रीम में फिर भी चेंज नहीं होता। फिर से पढ़ो ढंग से क्वेश्चन को, ग्राफ से समझो, चेक इट आउट। Q1, Q1 की वैल्यू Q by B1, Q2 is Q by B2, सब क्रिटिकल कंडीशन, Q1 छोटा है, this is Q1, this is Y1, Q2 is bigger, नीचे देखो बड़ा है Q2 की वैल्यू Y2। If no choke condition, width कम कर रहे हो तो वो तो क्या होगा, Q will increase, width कम करोगे means denominator कम, discharge per unit width will increase, depth will reduce, Y2 will start to go towards YC। कितना पूरा मैराथन पढ़ा दिया, उसके बाद तुम लोग ऐसा कर रहे हो, बताओ। अब गुस्सा नहीं आएगा तो क्या करूं, बताओ। जो आंसर दे रहे हो राइज वाला वो सुपर क्रिटिकल के लिए, पढ़ो तो क्वेश्चन में इट इज आस्क्ड फॉर सब क्रिटिकल। व्हाई कांट यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? और अभी चोकिंग भी नहीं हुई और अपस्ट्रीम को चेंज कर रहे हो। मोर ओवर विड्थ के केस में कब अपस्ट्रीम चेंज किया? देखो Q2, if you are increasing decreasing the width, तो discharge per unit width increase, so Q2 will go to Q max, ये बढ़ रहा है पर depth will decrease, Y2 will go to YC, कम होता जाएगा, so drop at downstream section। आया समझ? Everybody, is it clear? सौरभ, लक्ष्मी, clear? अब पिटी है ना डांट, अब देखना क्वेश्चन में 4 बार पढ़ोगे क्वेश्चन को, if it is asked in the question whether it is subcritical or supercritical, because you got a scolding today। समझ आया? Read the question twice, thrice, whether it is asking subcritical or supercritical। Now this question, 2 marks। A horizontal frictionless rectangular channel 4 meters width is designed to carry a discharge of 8 meter cube per second. Initial depth is given to you as 1.5 meters. Now, because of the space constraint unavailability, the width on the downstream side is reduced. It is asking you B minimum, so that choking can be avoided. I told you when I made this graph, I told you when I was teaching you in the marathon also, E1 is equal to EC, और यही concept आपको करना है, E1 is equal to EC under no choking condition। Come on, solve it. Everything is given to you in the question. Come on. Y1 plus V1 square by 2G. V1 is not given to us directly. Y1 is 1.5. Q is 8 square. Area is, width is 4. So 4 into 1.5 square. If just check it out whether, if it is an NAT question, kindly take a moment and check it out whether acceleration due to gravity, is it telling you in the question, is 9.81 or not. This is MCQ, so don't worry about it. 2 into 9.81. Calculate how much is E1 coming. 1.591 meter aa raha hai. Check it out. Now, since it is a rectangular channel, you can go EC is equal to 3 by 2 YC. कर सकती हूँ मैं? Can I do this? Okay. Now, you know, YC is Q square by G to the power 1 by 3. Q square B minimum square into 9.81 to power 1 by 3. So from here, substitute Q as 8 and solve and tell me how much is B minimum coming. Come on. Tell me how much B minimum is coming. How much it is coming? Solve it quickly. Quick, quick, quick. B minimum, solve it quickly. You will get 2.33 meter. Correct. Very good, Abdul. ठीक चलो. This is again a 2 marks question. हम यहाँ पे basic common sense you'll be able to solve the question. 2 marks. After this, 2 questions of hydrology, 1 question of irrigation. और वो भी अच्छे questions हैं. So irrigation a good question is there. Come on, solve it. A rectangular channel of width 2 meter is provided with hydraulic jump as an energy dissipator device downstream side. It dissipates an energy equivalent to 2 meter of water. So energy loss is given to you as 2 meter. Assume that energy dissipation which is taking place is due to hydraulic jump and there is no head loss. Froude number before the jump is 10. What will be the sequent depth? That means the post jump depth, that is Y2. You have to calculate. Come on guys. How will you calculate? Incoming Froude number is given to you. How will you do it? Here you have to apply your brain. Easy breezy, just one equation and your answer will be solved. Not possible. How will you do it? You know this formula, y2 by y1 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 plus root over 1 plus 8 fr1 square, right? Just substitute the value of Froude number, incoming Froude number, and tell me the answer. How much it is coming y2 by y1? Tell me quickly how much it is coming. How much it is coming? Solve and tell me how much is y2 by y1 coming, guys. $13.65. I'll take it as K and this is 13.65. Okay. Now, in the question it has asked me Y2 but I can't calculate because I don't know Y1. So you know energy loss is given by Y2 minus Y1 cube divided by 4Y1 Y2. So instead of Y2, can I write it as KY1? Of course I can do that. Okay. So if I write it as KY1 minus Y1 cube 4 KY1 into Y1. From here what will happen, guys? Solve it. How much it will come? I made it super easy for you. देखो K minus 1 cube Y1 cube 4K Y1 square. This is energy loss. So यहाँ पे I'll write it here because there's space, otherwise it will cut on my head. So it will come out to be K minus 1 cube and here Y1 square, this will get cancelled. You will get Y1 into 4K. Energy loss is given to you in the question. K value already calculated, 13.65 minus 1 whole cube Y1 4 into 13.65. From here you will get the value of Y1 first. How much you are getting Y1? First you will get Y1. How much you are getting Y1? Y1 calculate करके बताओ. Check it out. I have written it. Y1 is 0.054 meter. But in the question, it is not asking me pre-jump depth. It is asking me post-jump depth. So Y2 will become how much? 13.65 into Y1. So 13.65 into 0.054. How much it is coming? .735. 0.737. Up to 2 decimal places, so 0.74. If you are getting the answer between 0.7 to 0.8, allot yourself 2 marks. If you are getting the answer between 0.7 to 0.8, allot yourself 2 marks. Clear? Chalo. Now 2 questions from hydrograph and then 1 question from irrigation, and then Dheeraj sir will be continuing. Come on, start this. Start this question, guys. Here in the question they have given you what? They have given you a flood hydrograph of 2-hour storm, 2-hour duration of rainfall, and it is telling you that if the storm generates 4 centimeter of excess rainfall and the base flow is 3 meter cube per second, so what will be the ordinate of 4-hour DRH with excess rainfall of 2 centimeter? Come on, answer. Come on guys, answer. Skip क्यों करना? बहुत easy question है. Why to skip? This is an easy question. Very easy question. How will you skip it, guys? Why does it need to skip? Check it out. I've just drawn it here. Time 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now, ordinate it is given to you. It is 2 hours with 4 centimeter excess rainfall. 2 hour, but this is given to me is a flood hydrograph. First, I will make it into a direct runoff hydrograph. You know, flood hydrograph is direct runoff hydrograph minus base flow. Base flow is 3 meters. Subtract 3 minus 3, 0. 7 minus 3, 4. 12 minus 3, 9. 15 minus 3, 12. 11 minus 3, 8. 5 minus 3, 2, and this will be 0. So you will substitute this value. 0, 4, 9, then 12, 8, 2, 0. This is 2-hour DRH with N value as 4 centimeter. Now first 2 hours will end, then next 2 hours will start. So lag it by 2 hours and copy paste it. 0, 4, 9, 12, 8, 2, 0. This is also N 4 centimeter. So 2 hours plus 2 hours will make how much? 4 hours. Correct? In the question it is asking for what? 4 hours only. But here 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter will make how much? 8 centimeter. 0, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This will be 21. This will be 20, 10, 2, 0. But in the question it is asking me for N value as 2 centimeter. Go for unitary method. First of all, what is the maximum value? 21. So when N is 8 centimeter, the maximum peak discharge is 21 meter cube per second. Now when N is how much? 2 centimeter, what will be the maximum peak discharge? 21 into 2 divided by 8. So 1 by 4. 21 by 4. How much it is coming? How much it is coming, guys? 5.25. 5.25. Correct. Very good, Yukta. Clear? 46 को skip किया. अच्छा अच्छा. 2 marks का था यार. इतना easy था. You couldn't skip it यार, Mayank. Okay. Hello. Solve this 48 question. This is a good question and this is for 2 marks. This was also for 2 marks question. This was a 2 marks question. And this is also a 2 marks question. And this is a good question. Blaney-Criddle equation will be used. अब यहाँ पे मैंने changes किए हैं. So it's not like a conventional question. Let me tell you one thing before. Here in the question it is asking you to calculate net irrigation requirement. आपको पता है? Net irrigation requirement is consumptive irrigation requirement plus leaching requirement plus pre-sowing requirement. Correct? And consumptive irrigation requirement is consumptive use minus effective rainfall. In the question, they have given you effective rainfall 5.3 centimeter. You need to first calculate consumptive use. You will calculate by Blaney-Criddle equation. What is the equation? Kp by 40, 1.8 T plus 32, where temperature is in degrees Celsius. ठीक है? K है आपका consumptive use coefficient 0.75. P की value है how much for September month? 6.8 divided by 40. 1.8 into 22 plus 32. Then for next month it is consumptive use coefficient same रहेगा. P value is different. 7.4 divided by 40. 1.8 into 18 plus 32. How much is the consumptive use coming? 47 last का क्या हुआ? क्या कुछ problem है? Okay. Calculate how much is consumptive use coming, because it is for the month of September and October. So September plus October. How much is the consumptive use coming, guys? 18.06 centimeter. Just check it out. Ma'am, आपने K को common ले लेते, it becomes clumsy. So that's why, because P is different. So that's why I've taken it separately. Okay. So now this will be 18.06 minus 5.3. How much it is coming? 18.06 minus 5.3. So this will come out to be 12.76 centimeter. Now leaching requirement, generally 99% of the question they don't give you leaching requirement. So whatsoever is the consumptive irrigation requirement, that is only net irrigation requirement. But in the question they have given leaching requirement also. Pre-sowing requirement is not given, take it as 0. So this will come out to be how much? 15.76. Clear? Sorted? Understood? Sure. Last question. 1 marks, last question. Data analysis on maximum one-day rainfall depth at Hyderabad indicated that a depth of 260 mm had a return period of 50 years. 50 साल में एक बार. Yeah, in that period it will occur at least once. The probability of one-day depth equal to 260 mm at Hyderabad occurring 2 times in 15 successive years. 15 साल में 2 बार occur करेगा. What is the probability? So probability of occurrence is 1 by t, that is 1 by 50. Probability of non-occurrence is 1 minus 1 by 50, that is 1 minus 1 by 50, that is 49 by 50. कितना बोल रहा है? 2 बार occur हो. आपको पता, this is probability only NCR P to the power R Q to the power N minus R. So out of 15 times occurring twice, probability of occurring 1 by 50, not occurring 49 by 50. Come on, multiply by 100 and tell me the answer in percentage. Multiply by 100 and tell me the answer in percentage. Correct up to 2 decimal places. Solve it. Multiply by 100 also, because ध्यान से देखना percentage में लिखा है. 6.46. Check it out again. Check it out again. Come on, Mayank, Sadhna, Anwar, Pratmesh. Come on, quickly. Check out again, Yukta. Quick, guys. Now Dheeraj sir will be coming after this. 3.22%. Anybody is getting the answer from 3.18 to 3.38 can give themselves 1 marks. Clear? So this was the questions from my side. So I've covered aptitude 10 questions, environment 8 questions, OCF 3, hydrology 2 and irrigation 1 question. Now Dheeraj sir will be coming. So guys, stay tuned, and I'm just signing off and Dheeraj sir will be coming. Before that, we have full syllabus course for 25 and 26, both in English and Hindi language. So you guys can enroll for that as well. And language will not be a barrier. So let's start your preparation journey with us. And मैं धीरज सर को मैसेज कर देती हूँ, and I'll share my Telegram group with you guys, so that in case you are new and if you haven't joined my channel, you can do that without any delay. Chaliye, and this is my Telegram group I have shared with you. And guys, 25 and 26, if you have any dilemma, we have a free 1-to-1 counseling and complete guidance. You guys can check it out, and you can join my Telegram group for further upcoming classes. And that's all. And अब मैं कर देती हूँ stop. Thank you everyone, and Dheeraj sir will be joining you. Thank you.
Yes, good afternoon guys to all of you. So now we will be continuing this journey, and I would be taking questions from engineering mathematics and from PERT CPM, from engineering mechanics, and at the last we will see fluid mechanics. Yes, Anwar, good afternoon. So good afternoon to all of you, and guys, we are starting. Yes, Vishnu, hi. So we are continuing. This is the Telegram channel Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana, and you know, on 3rd and 4th February, just after the exam, like on 4th February, you guys have exam in 2 shifts. After every shift, we will be live for the analysis. So be ready, guys. Yes, Yukta. Yes, Sadhana. Good afternoon. So guys, this is the workshop at 7:30 p.m. 7th February will be taken by Richa Gupta ma'am. And you know this is for Blueprint to Excel Gate 25 in first attempt. This is going to be a workshop for the student who are looking for Gate 25. Yes, Prithvi. Hi dear. Sogata. Good afternoon. Yes, Sadhana. Good afternoon. So guys, we are starting here. This is the very first question from engineering mathematics. This is the 1 mark question. So I am telling you the weightage as well. And you can also identify if you find 1 dot here, it means 1 mark, 2 dots means 2 marks. Okay. But I am telling you the marks. So if the system of equation is given to you has a non-trivial solution, then this will be equals to where R, S, T are not equals to 0. Yes, Dharmendra, good afternoon. So do this question, guys. This is the very first question from mathematics. Question number 50th it is. After this 15 more questions we are having. Yes, everybody. Mayank, good afternoon, bhai. Solve this question, guys. Solve this question. Okay. So this is a homogeneous system of equation given. You know that for non-trivial solution, you would be having determinant of A to be 0. I have helped you by telling you the situation because there are 2 solutions. One is 0, other is non-zero. For 0 solution, determinant is not 0. And for non-zero solution, determinant is going to be 0. Okay, because it will be having the multiple optimal solution, which is possible if determinant of A is 0. Hi, China. So you can solve it now, guys. Everybody. Yes. I'm looking for answer from your side. I will be giving you hint as well. This is R plus A. If you make the determinant, this will be B, this will be C. Here you would be getting A, then you are going to get S plus B, then you are getting C. Here you are getting A, B and T plus C. This will be the determinant A. You need to do it 0. Let us see how many of you are able to give the right answer for this. Everybody, good afternoon, Lasya. So I am expecting an answer from you guys. 1 mark question, it is from matrices. You know, every year 1 question is coming from matrices and determinants. Or linear algebra, you can say this. Anybody. Yes, this is the determinant. You make it to 0 and get the answer. Yes. Mayank, Prithvi, Sogata, Yukta, Sadhana, Vishnu, Anwar, Dharmendra, Chinna. So if you see this, guys, you can directly expand also, or you can apply some row operation like R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. And after applying these operations, you can also expand. Yes, everybody. So what you would be getting here, R plus A, B, C. Here when you will be going for this, it is minus R. Here it is S. Here it is 0. Here it will be minus R. Here it is 0. Here it is C. Sorry, T. Yes, anybody guys. अभी तक तो आ जाना चाहिए था आंसर. Anybody? Dharmendra, Mayank, Prithvi. Okay, let's say I'm saying the answer to be minus 1. That is B. Anybody else? Okay, Vishnu is saying minus 1. That is B. Anybody else? Mayank, Dharmendra, Chinna. Okay, Dhana Lakshmi is also saying minus 1. Very good, guys. Answer is minus 1. So you can see first I have applied R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. After applying this, I will be directly expanding this. So when I would be expanding it, it will be R plus A into ST. Okay, then I would be having minus B into minus RT. Okay, minus B, it would be minus RT. So minus RT. And then I would be having plus C, that is plus RS. And when you will be equating it to 0 and you will be dividing it by RST, you would be getting A by R plus B by S plus C by T is equals to -1. So answer B is correct, guys. There is no doubt about that B is the right answer. Everybody, those who have given the answer, they have given it correctly. Okay, but very few students have given. So those who have given the right answer, they can add 1 mark. Question number 51, this is from maxima minima. This is a 2-mark question. This is a 2-mark question. You need to find out the maximum value of function. Try to solve it, guys. Try to solve it, guys. The question is in front of you. The function is given. They are saying x is more than 0. Find out the maximum value of fx. Try to solve it, guys. This is a MCQ only. So, guys, you can try by your own. Then only it is benefit of this test. This is the function. You know that the conditions of maxima minima. Apply that. This is a 2-mark question. Calculus part it is. Okay, so like last time, I have kept all the areas. One question from all the areas. I also added engineering mechanics per CPM. Every part is there. So very balanced paper we have made it. Let us see this time how many of you give the right answer. Yukta is saying the answer to be C. That is 1 by E square. Okay. What about others? What about others? Yukta have given the answer as C. Yes. I will wait for the right answer from other students. Mayank is also saying C. Okay. Lasya is also saying C. Vishnu is also saying C. Yes, C is the right answer. So guys, when we are getting this, we will be finding out f dash x. Here you need to apply the product rule. First of all, x square will become 2x into e की power minus 2x. Then once again you will be going for plus, and this time you will be getting minus 2x square ex. Okay, so this is the f dash x, and when you will be putting f dash x to be equals to 0. First of all, I am telling you, after calculating f dash x is coming as 2 into x minus x square into e की power minus 2x is equals to 0. So x will be coming out to be 0, 1. Then I will be going for f double dash x. Okay, so when you will be going for f double dash x, then after once again you will be differentiating this. है ना? This is the term you will be differentiating this. So when you will be differentiating this, 2 is a constant, let us say. When you will be going for differentiating the first term, it will be 1 minus 2x. है ना? Then it will be e to the power minus 2x. And it will be once again plus, and you will be having e to the power minus 2x will become minus 2. Minus 2 e to the power minus 2x into x minus x square. So when you will be solving this, f double dash x will be coming out to be, I have already solved it for you. You would be getting it as, this is coming out to be x01, and now you will be putting x is equals to 0. When you will be putting x is equals to 0, you will be getting f double dash 0. F double dash 0 is coming out to be 2, which is more than 0. So here we will be getting minima. Okay, and when you will be going for f double dash 1, you are getting less than 0. It means it is giving you maxima. So you need to find out f of 1. When you will be finding out, you will be getting 1 by e ka square. C is the right answer. Everybody, very good, Prem, बहुत ही बढ़िया. C is the right answer for this question. Moving to question number 52, guys. Moving to question number 52, and before we move, I would like to tell you that if you want one-to-one counseling from our counselor, you can fill the form or you can directly call on this number. This is about the vision courses, wherein 1000 hours we are covering the entire course of GATE plus engineering services. This is the next question for 2 marks from vector calculus. 2 marks. Numerical answer type question. Let us see how many of you can give the right answer for this. Guys, this is 52, second question. We are still have 13 more questions. Okay, and out of 13, 4 are from fluid mechanics, 2 are from PERT CPM, 2 are from engineering mechanics. Total 8 questions from engineering mathematics. This is from vector calculus. Next question will be from probability, differential equations, numerical methods. Every topic I have covered. 1 question from Laplace also is kept. Yes, this is the question. The value of integral f dot dr where f is 2y plus 3 cap, xz j cap, yz minus xk cap. Along the line joining point 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1 is. Everybody, this is a good question, guys. Good question. For 2 marks, it is a good question. 50-second question it is. Yes, everybody. Try to solve it, guys. Everybody. Try to solve it. Yes. Okay, Shravan is saying the answer to be 0. Okay, what about others? Shravan said the answer to be 0. What about others? Shravan is saying 0. I'm waiting for your answers, guys. At the end, you can also tell the marks you are obtaining. Yukta is also saying 0. Okay. All of you are saying 0. Let us see. First of all, I can write dr as dx I cap, dy j cap, dz k cap. Okay. So when I will be going for f dot dr, I can go for, like, 2y plus 3 dx. Then I will be having xz dy. Then I will be having yz minus x into dz. If you see, from point this to this, y and z are not changing. Y is always a constant, z is always a constant. X is moving from 0 to 2. So it means dy will be 0 and dz will be 0. So if dy and dz are going to be 0, these two terms will directly go 0. And this will be integrated from 0 to 2. Y value is already 1. So you can write it as 5 integration 0 to 2 dx. Answer will be coming out to be 10. Everybody understood your mistake or not? Please tell me. Everybody understood, guys? It is properly audible, visible, everything is clear, understood? Please tell me that. Are we getting the answer to be 10? Yes, guys. Sogata, Mayank, Prem, Dharmendra, Yukta, Shravan, everybody who have answered it. Is it correct or not? Please tell me. Clear hai bhai? Kuch to bolo. Yes. Fine. Very good, guys. So this is the benefit of this session, that you are getting this. Now this is question number 53 for 2 marks again. This is from probability random variable. They have given for a random variable x, expectation ex is 10, variance x is 25. Find the positive values of a and b such that ey is 0, by is 1, y is equals to ax minus b. You need to find out a and b. This is the easy question for everyone. It is from random variables. I feel everyone can solve this question. This is question number 53, guys. Question number 53. We are still left with 12 more questions. Solve it, guys. Solve it. 2 marks question 53. Okay. Next question will be coming from numerical methods. No, differential equation. Next question will be from differential equation. Every part is covered in these 8 questions. Yes. They have given y is equals to ax minus b. Okay. Solve it, guys. They have given you that ey is 0, ex is 10, variance of x is 25, variance of y is 1. Yukta is saying the answer to be A. Okay, what about others? What about others? Yukta is saying A. Shravan is saying A. Okay, 2 students have answered it. What about others? Tell me, guys. Everybody. Okay. Shall I start doing it? When you will be going for expectation of Y, A will be outside. It is expectation of X plus B. And you know expectation of Y is 0. Expectation of X is 10 plus B. So the equation is 10A plus B is equals to 0. It is first equation. Then I will be going for variance. Variance of Y. Whenever we take variance, it will become A ka square variance of X. And plus, it is going to be what? B ka variance, constant ka variance is 0. I will be putting the value of variance of X. Variance of X is 25. Y is 1. 1 is equals to A square 25. You would be getting A as 1 by 5. Okay, when you will be getting A as 1 by 5, you will be putting this value here. You would be getting, when you will be putting it, you would be getting B as equals to 2. B as equals to 2. Okay, this is not plus, this is minus. So B will be coming out to be 2. So 1 by 5 and 2 are the right answer. A is the right answer. Very good, Vishnu. Very good, Lasya, Mayank, Shravan, Yukta. Wonderful, guys. Moving to the next question. Question number 54, differential equation, 2 marks question. This is Euler's method, because from last 3 years in civil engineering, Euler's method question is coming. Sorry, this is not Euler's method. This is differential equation. Euler's method is next question. This is differential equation, and you know the form is dy by dx plus py is equals to q. This is the same type where we are finding out nothing but the integration factor, integrating factor. Solve it, guys. I will wait for the right answer from your side. 54th question it is going on. विष्णु, लस्या, मयंक, श्रवण, युक्ता. अरे भाई सीरियस नहीं हो क्या मैथ्स के लिए? टेक्निकल तो सब हो गए, मैथ्स इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है क्या? 13 मार्क्स आने वाला है मैथ्स. Solve it, guys, everyone. Anybody have given the answer for this? First of all, integrating factor. Find it out. 2 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है, थोड़ा टाइम तो लगेगा करने में. Two marks. Differential equation. You have seen one question from probability, one from matrix, 2 from calculus. Prem is saying the answer to be B. Lasya is saying answer to be B. Yukta is saying answer to be B. And guys, B is the right answer. First of all, you will be finding out the integration factor. You would be getting e to the power. It is going to be integration 2x dx. It would be e की power x square. Now you know y into e की power x square is equals to integration. Integration factor, it is e की power minus x square into e की power x square dx. Plus c. You know that y into e की power x square, it is coming out to be 1. It is x plus c. So when you will be writing it, you will be finding out the c value, x 0. Y is equals to 1. So y 1 x 0. 1 is equals to 0 plus c. It is coming out to be 1. So as it is coming out to be 1, I can say y e to the power x square x plus 1. So y is x plus 1 e की power minus x square. Answer will be B for this. Very good guys, बहुत बढ़िया. जो लोग कर रहे हैं वो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. Moving to the next question, 55, 2 marks question, numerical method, Euler's method. Okay, everybody know that from last 3 years questions are coming from Euler's method. So this is important. N plus 1, yn plus n, fxn yn. For your help, I have even written the formula. 2 marks question, guys. Question number 55, 2 marks question. Question number 55, 2 marks question. After this, next question is coming from Laplace. Next question is coming from Laplace. Solve this, guys. Solve this, solve this, solve this. Question number 55, 2 marks. You can see they have given you the value of y0 and they're asking you value of y 0.3. Step size is 0.1. So you need to go for 3 iterations. 3 iterations are asked. 2 marks, 3 iteration. Let us see how many of you give the right answer. Everybody would be aware of that this is nothing but our f, x and yn. I have taught this to you in the mathematics session, if you remember. Vishnu is saying B is the answer. What about others? Vishnu said B. Lasya saying B. Okay, what about others? What about others? Okay, Mayank is saying B. B is the right answer, guys. When you will be finding out, first of all, put n is equals to 0. Then you would be getting y1 is equals to y0. Plus when you are putting it to be 0, I feel already it is given that y0 is 0. So when you will be going for it is n is 0.1. And when you are putting x is equals to 0, y0 given. So it is going to be 0 plus 0. So we are getting y1. This is also 0. So y1 is 0. Now I will go for y2. y2 is y1 plus 0.1. It is x1 y1. What is x1? x1 is, I am putting it as 0.1. y1 is 0. So this will give me what? I feel y2 is, y0.2 is coming out to be 0.01. Because y1 was 0. Then I will be finding out y3. Okay, it will be nothing but y2 plus 0.1 into, what is x2? It is 0.2 plus y was 0.01. So when I will be solving this, it would be coming out to be what? It would be coming out to be 0.031. Okay, so 0.031. So answer will be coming out to be B. Everybody understood, guys? Answer will be B. Moving to the next question, number 56. Laplace it is. 1 mark question, guys. It is Laplace 1 mark question. Laplace 1 mark question. Solve it, guys. (56) 1 mark question. Next is also 1 mark. We are having one more question from maths. Then we are coming into engineering mechanics and part CPM. 4 questions from that, and then we will enter into the last part. Tell me the answer. This is not that much time taking now. Laplace. Laplace of e to the power minus 2t plus 5. Okay, Kartikeya Jaiswal is saying C is the answer. Kartikeya Jaiswal is saying C is the answer. Dharmendra is saying C is the answer. Yukta is saying C is the answer. Govind, yes, C is the right answer. So guys, first of all, when you will be going for this, you can write it as e to the power minus 2t into e to the power 5. So I can take e to the power 5 common outside. Then Laplace of e to the power minus 2t. That you know, e to the power 5, e to the power minus 2t is s plus 2. So answer will be e to the power 5 by s plus 2. C is the right answer. Very good, guys. Moving to the 57. Those who have attended my class, they can directly answer this. Those who have attended my class, they can directly answer this last question from mathematics. And the order of convergence of Newton-Raphson method is. Order of convergence of Newton-Raphson method is. I taught you in detail. Order of convergence, I told you for every method. Let us see how many of you remember it. Option A is 2, option B is 3, option C is 0, option D is 4. Okay, so I feel those who have attended, they are giving the right answer. If you remember, Regula-Folsi was having order 1, Newton-Raphson was having order 2. I told you that. That is why Newton-Raphson is moving fastly towards the solution. It is a better one. Newton-Raphson is having the order of convergence as 2. Moving further, guys, now engineering mechanics question. It is from trusses. Truss question for 2 marks. It is not difficult, just you need to identify how to do this. Engineering mechanics 2 marks question, 58th number. We are having 7 more after this. Everybody. Yes, very good, Kartikeya. Solve it, guys. Very easy question it is from the trusses. For the truss loaded as shown in the figure, force in member AC. You are asked the force in this member. Everybody. Okay, Kartikeya. So guys, whenever you are having this type of structure, method of section is going to be the better choice. Because for such cases, method of joint is very much time taking. Here you need to go for method of section. Okay? Okay, let's say I'm saying answer to be A. Okay. What about others? Govind is also saying A. Dharmendra, Vishnu also saying A. Okay, let us see. So guys, first of all, let us apply the method of section here. So if you are going to apply it here, you can see this would be like this. Like this. If you see these members, here we are having a force of 1 kilonewton horizontal. In this member, force will be vertical. In this member, force will be vertical. Here the force will be like this. I am assuming some direction. So obviously its horizontal component will be balancing this. So I can say FAC. This angle is 45 because 1, 1, 1 everything is given. So FAC cos 45 is coming out to be 1. So FAC will be coming out to be root 2. So the answer is root 2 kilonewtons, but it can be in tension, it can be in compression. So if you see this member, the force is coming in this way. Can you tell me, is this in tension or compression? This is tension or compression? D would be the right answer. Arey bhai, the force is, the internal resistance is coming like this. When I will be applying internal resistance like this, when I am extended. Okay. So tension or compression, it is towards the joint or away from the joint? It is away from the joint. Yes, it is away from the joint or towards the joint. It is root 2 kilonewton away from the joint. Everybody know na that whenever a spring is in, like there is a spring, you are applying tension onto that. The internal resistance will be like this. Tension would be the answer. D is the right answer. Moving further, guys. Question number 59. This is the last Mega Mock Challenge live, guys. Don't miss the opportunity to appear. This is the last day to appear in it. Question number 59, 1 mark. Per CPM. They are asking you the standard deviation of the project. 1 mark. Standard deviation of the project. 1 mark, guys. 1 mark. Yes. That is why these sessions are kept. These sessions are to make you correct. The standard deviation, they have given you the variance of the critical activities. I feel everybody would be aware of sigma 1 square. Critical activities ka variance is given to you. That is what you need to do. 59. You will be getting A will be the right answer for this. Mukul, I feel you have done some mistake. Already sigma 1 square is given. Already variance is given 2.77 plus 0.11 plus 0.11. You need not to square it. Already it is given like critical activities. Variance is given. Arey bhai, sigma 1 square is given. Sigma 2 square is given. Sigma 3 square is given. Answer will be A. नहीं कार्तिकेय मैथ्स की खत्म हो गए because it is a complete paper going on. 13 marks maths is coming. That is we have done already. Answer will be A for this. Everybody understood? Mayank? Okay, very good. Vishnu, you got it? Vishnu, Mukul, got it or not? Please tell me that. Yes. Moving to the question number 60th. Once again, engineering mechanics, 1 mark question. 60th, engineering mechanics, 1 mark question. You need to find out the tension in the string. You need to find out the tension in the string. Pulley is frictionless. 1 mark question. Question number 60th. Everybody, 5 more to go. And in the 5, we have 4 from fluid mechanics, for which I will give you not solution but answers only. Solve it, guys, fast. Just need to use equilibrium of the mass and you will be able to answer it. Okay, so majority of you are saying the answer to be C. If you see the mass, downward is mg, upward is tension T, 2T, T. So you can write 4T is equals to mg. M will be 4T by G. C is the right answer. Very good, guys. Very good. Everybody understood this? Last question from per CPM, then 4 questions from fluid mechanics. Question number 61. This is for 2 marks. Critical path. 2 marks, critical path. They have given you activities and durations. Critical path, 2 marks question. After that, 4 questions from fluid mechanics. Solve it, guys. I'm going fastly because only 1 day is left for the exam. So I'm going like कि students are also in hurry कि अब जल्दी करना है. Critical path activities are given, durations are given. Try to solve it, guys. Try to solve it. Abhay is saying the answer to be B. Okay. What about others? Abhay said answer is B. Yes, Mukul. Yes, Dinesh. Yukta, Mayank. Only Abhay have given the answer. They have given 1 से 2, 2 days. 2 से 3, 2 से 3, 1 day. 1 से 4, 3 days. 4 से 3, 3 days. 2 से 5, 3 days. 3 से 5, 2 days. 4 से 5, 4 days. If you see the critical path, when you will go for 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, it is 2, 1, 2, 5 days. 1, 4, 3, 5, 1, 4, 3, 5, 3, 3, 6 and 2, 8, 8 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4 we cannot go. Incorrect path. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. It is incorrect path. B is the right answer. 8 days will be the answer. So guys, now I am going with the fluid mechanics question. As you know, I am not right now a fluid mechanics teacher for you. So I will show you the question. You can answer me. I will give you the right answer. For solution, you can consult to fluid mechanics faculty. Moving to question number 62. You need to find out which of the following equation is correct. This is from fluid kinematics. For your marks, I am standing here. It is 1 mark question. देखते हैं कौन सा ही आंसर करता है इसका, किसका फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स अच्छा है. No one? Anybody? नहीं, they are different. This is x square y, this is x y square. They are different. One is x square y, other is x y square. They are different. Okay. D is the right answer. D is the right answer. Okay. Moving to the next question, guys. Moving to the next question number 63. The velocity field in a fluid is given. Which of the following statements are correct? This is MSQ. MSQ. More than one option can be correct. Weightage is 2 marks for this. 2 marks MSQ. 2 more questions after this, guys. Yes, very good, Mukul. MSQ, guys. More than one option can be correct. 2 marks. Everybody. Do it. अरे भाई इतना टाइम. Okay. So guys, this is MSQ. Mukul have given the right answer. B is correct, C is correct, D is correct. Okay. B, C and D are the right answer for this. Okay. Fine. B, C and D are the right answer. Moving further guys, second last question in front of you. This is for 1 mark. 1 mark. Very good Abhay, but there were 3 options correct. MSQ that was. Okay, here question is incomplete. The study. Okay, let me complete it. Don't worry. Just give me a minute. I have questions with me. Sometime typing errors happened, guys. Sorry for that. Just give me a minute. I'm correcting it. This is okay. Now question is in front of you guys. 1 mark question, simple it is. Thanks Kartikeya. What would be the answer guys? MCQ, 1 option is correct. Second last question. Yukta is saying D is the answer. Okay, what about others? If you find any difficulty in the FM question, you can ask from the FM faculty. Don't worry. They will answer you regarding that. Mukul is saying C. Mayank is saying D. Answer will be C guys here. C is the right answer. Okay, it would be 6 I cap minus 6 J cap. C is the right answer. The last question guys in front of you. 65, 2 marks. numerical answer type question. Okay, this is numerical answer type. Last question from my side. Last question. So guys, once again, I am reminding you that just after your exam, we will be live here. And we will be going for the analysis of your exam. And in that, we will tell you the expected cutoff. Okay, for both the shift, we will be coming live. And we will tell you the expected cutoff. Also, we will tell you the expected topper marks. Also, we will tell you the other things related to exam like difficulty level and all. So Govind have answered it as 865, which is the correct answer. Okay. 865 is correct answer. Always take one note from my side. Whenever they give G10, if you will be taking G9.81, you will be getting wrong answers. So when they give the value of G, take that value only. Okay, so guys, with this mock test is over. Okay, so I feel you guys have got a lot from these tests. 2 tests have been happened for you. Day after tomorrow, you guys have exam. So all the best from my side and entire civil team. Okay, and do join us live after your exam so that you can get insight of the exam. Okay, so goodbye guys for this particular session. We will meet again in some of the other session. Okay, goodbye.